Man, this is crazy stuff here. GameStop running again. Just hanging out here, just kind of just watching it. I have no reason to walk away at this moment, and this is great stuff. I'm excited to be a part of this trading and part of being this trading environment. It's just really exciting. See what's happening here. Stock's at $152. Holy smokes. Where were you when you were watching GameStop? It's going to be something that's going to be said in 10 years from now. They're going to say, where were you when this all happened? And right now, this is a big deal. This is exciting stuff to see. This is crazy money making for people that really believed in something, and they're making a lot of money now. Share your thoughts. Make sure you drop a comment. Hit that like button as you come in if you don't mind, and just take a look at what we have going on here. If you're curious of what we're trading on, this is Thinkorswim, TOS, a part of TD Ameritrade, where you can download the trading software. You can easily buy and sell with a little more higher advanced trading tools than if you're used to like a retail trader using the normal apps that you see like Webull, Robinhood, things of that nature. So might be something that might help you out in the future. Let's take it over. Let's see what these guys are saying about it here. I like these guys. You know what? Why not? You know what? Let's do it. These are my boys. Go in here. YouTube. Boom.
The winner and see what
we can see the revisions and all that. So don't be an asshole and don't delete people. That's mean. Wait. Auburn says that the link is there's too much traffic. That's not
now our Google Doc server's down with Reddit.
wait. Oh my God, fucking A. That's I got that too just now.
Reddit is down.
Jesus Christ.
I just got a message from Top Dog of Benzinga Pro.
Yeah.
This is a big deal. So we hit 1,500 likes. We have I think that many viewers in live right now.
Yeah.
Not a 3 month Benzinga Pro, a full year, an annual subscription.
Whoa.
That's a $1,500 value. $1,500 value for 1,500 likes. Let's hit it.
All right. Oh man. Okay. It looks like Robinhood has halted our Google Sheet right now. We are working with them.
Wait. Someone messed it up big time. Who did that?
What?
They took the whole price column out of it.
Oh, the whole column's gone.
You got no, but we can just. It's fine. We have.
Someone said make a survey. Make a survey.
Hey, you guys are the worst.
Who did that?
We try to do something nice for you people. Oh.
Make a survey. Who can do that? Who can make us a survey real quick?
We just got trolled so fucking hard. Oh my God.
Yeah, this is on the move. It's on the move.
Caesar in the chat? Caesar should share the link for the merch store too, because now that everyone has diamond hands again and wants GameStop.
All right, hold on.
Merch.
Scroll way to the right. Okay, that's what. They didn't delete it. They just made the column really wide.
Okay.
Okay.
Joke's on me.
This guy's. Hey, give us a break, all right? I came up with this idea a minute ago. This is not well thought out.
People
we-
can't even get into the Google Doc right now.
We
they're saying.
are a company of doing things first and then asking questions later. So ask for forgiveness, not permission. A Google form would have
I
been
love
better,
that.
probably. Can we make a quick Google survey, Aaron?
Someone can probably do that. Where's Enver can probably do that. Where's Enver?
You can't do that.
I don't know. I probably can too.
Oh my goodness. All right. No, let's if we make it, we can make it. Let's see if someone makes it. If not, we're gonna stick with the spreadsheet and we'll see. 9:30 a.m. open. All right. I'm seeing some numbers. I'm seeing $420.69. Nice. I'm seeing $91. I'm seeing $85. I'm seeing where's the high? I think $420.69 is the high.
You know, Luke got an order of GameStop filled at that price.
Did he really?
I believe so.
Oh fuck! I just. All right.
I'm calling 400.
Hey Mod, can we get this spreadsheet pinned at the top of Wall Street Bets too, so we get some of the Reddit community in here? Some of their guesses?
That'll that'll really crash the
Yeah,
sheet.
they might mess up the form then.
That
What do you mean? Wall Street Bets is a very civil place.
Whoever can make a spreadsheet gets
Benzinga
a
doing their
Benzinga
thing.
pro
They're
trial,
great.
okay? We need
no,
that.
we can all make a spreadsheet. Shit, I'm gonna hop off. I'm making the damn Google form. Hold on, I'm hopping off.
Tony from Toledo, shout out. I saw you in the Tony in the Toledo came on the Power Hour like 2 months ago and gave us toe bath. It's an over-the-counter stock that makes like cigarettes that are made from hemp, and the stock's been ripping.
Is
Shout
that
out,
the,
Tony.
the tobacco-free one or whatever.
Yeah, he also sent us some samples, some sample tats. That's what the cigarettes are actually called, TAAT. Oh, so we have a fan that made a form, Casey. Casey, can you email it to Spencer, or email it to?
Wait, Casey made a form because I'm mid-form making right now.
Casey Shadowitz, Benzinga. I made a form. Can you email it to powerhour@benzinga.com? Unless you can get yours up faster, Spencer, then let's do that.
All right, it's a race. We'll see who can do it first.
Where's Mr. Hot Stocks?
He's on the phone.
I was gonna say it looked like he was working behind you.
Yeah, he's working. You guys don't understand. Luke Jacoby works till like 9 p.m. every night.
No, 9 p.m. It's like midnight. He's
4
responding to
a.m.
email.
I
Yeah.
think
He's
is what
responding
he
to
told me
emails
the
at
last time.
midnight.
No,
every night.
I meant he's at the office.
Here in the office.
Okay, he's at the office to 9 p.m. and then he like leaves and goes to the gym and then he goes home and does more work.
His
Okay.
only break is the drive from the office to home.
What will? All right, Aaron, check your email because I'm making my form. We'll see who's first.
Casey should get an account. Casey, you will get an account for making the form if we get it. If we get it. and
if we
works.
get it, if we don't get it, then you get nothing.
Yeah.
Yo, it's running. We're running, baby. 159.
What?
Woo!
man.
159.
Yeah,
Let's
it's
go.
moving again.
Casey, where do you want me to email it? powerhour@benzinga.com. I'm putting it in the chat. powerhour@benzinga.com.
Can you pull up the chart, Spencer?
Yeah, it's gonna interfere with my form making.
It's okay. You don't need to make the form. We got Casey.
It's not
we got
like I
Zero
don't, it's not like
Nation
I don't
on
have
it.
4 screens open. I have 4 monitors here, but I'm only using. They're all in use at the moment. Oh jeez.
We are owed a dance wall. Mod, if it keeps ripping, you might need to get up and start doing the little diamond.
Okay,
hand
okay.
dance.
We broke through that resistance. We broke through it.
We broke it. Let's go.
We're at 160 and going 161.
160.
We
Whoa!
broke through
Let's go.
I
168.
can't, Spencer, I can't find the comment of this one about Luke to take off the screen because it was so high up.
It's fine.
Does that mean you just mean it's stuck on there?
Not again.
Oh no, I found it.
No, wait. That was me. Sorry. Okay, we're good.
I wonder what Vlad is doing. I wonder if he's like crying right now or
Vlad is doing.
talking with his 10 lawyers like,
What do we do?
Oh, I wonder what Vlad is doing.
He tweeted earlier about the 2-day rule. I did see that.
Yeah, well, of course he supports like T+1, right? T+2 nearly ruined the company. They had to raise $3.5 billion in 2 days.
And I don't know what they're gonna do this time. I mean, are they gonna ask Citadel more money, and then it's like, hey, by the way, you can't buy, you can only sell. So I don't know.
What happens if we get restrictions again tomorrow? I mean, how long does this go again?
World War III. This time it's personal.
Wait, but did you guys talk yet about the haul? How ridiculous the haul was? What's up?
Hot Stocks, Mr. Hot Stocks. Welcome to it.
Luke in the house.
Joined. Start telling me. He's always pissed. Was like that a circuit breaker is supposed to be 5 minutes and they just halted the stock for 12 minutes? I mean, how fucking unprecedented is that?
It was absolutely madness.
It's nuts, right? A circuit breaker is a 5-minute halt. We read off. We said stock's going to reopen at 3:51:38 because that's the joy of a circuit breaker. You know exactly when the thing's going to reopen. I mean, what happened that caused the stock to be halted through that entire time period? And then they reopen it at 4:00 in 1 second when nobody's expecting it. And I thought that was insane.
We don't know, Luke. That's the thing.
Spencer? Did you already pull up this tweet from Vlad?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, there it is. Yeah. Judgment Day.
All right, he's got some PR staff now.
AKA a meme staff. Let's go. Wait, how many likes we at now? We are at...
Okay, and what about, did we also talk about how Reddit went down? Did that happen yet?
Yeah, we talked
about it. It already went down, Luke.
Yeah,
Reddit went down. Shorts are in.
I know. So you got the haul. I mean, you got the Reddit going down. I mean, shit was wild.
Yeah, we got another message from Big Dog of Benzinga Pro that we need 110 more likes, something like that, and we're giving out another free subscription to Benzinga Pro.
Yeah, baby, that's what I'm talking about. Oh wait, how are we giving it out? Is it the person who?
No, our supercomputer is doing quantum algorithm, and it's gonna select the winner randomly off the people that have liked it.
No, that's no fun. I like doing it where the most recent chat message when you hit like 900 likes or something does it. It just turns it into madness.
You missed it. We made it. We made a Google. We made a Google
167.
Form.
Let's go.
Everybody, hold on.
Hold the line, boys. Hold the effing line.
Okay, so I'm giving Aaron. What was the name of the guy who made the sheet? I'm giving you a minute.
Casey. Oh, I forgot to check my email. He probably. Oh, he.
If not, if you don't get it in a minute.
Oh, we got it. We got it.
We got it.
We got it.
Let's go.
All right.
Casey, you're getting a free Benzinga Pro account for this.
Okay.
Let me make sure it's right. Oh,
yeah.
He did a good job on this
too.
Okay,
I'm sure he did better than me. Okay.
I just put the link in. Is it? I think I can just put the link in.
Yeah, right. But you got to pin it fast.
I know. I got to be ready for this. Y'all got to stop commenting for a second while I do this. All right.
Put the chat in slow mode. Yeah, we should actually. That's a good idea.
No, I would just troll him and comment like crazy.
We actually putting chat in slow mode would be a smart option right now. Let me see if I can do that.
Oh,
all right.
I think we're good to go. New form is pinned in the chat. Let's see if it works. Casey, shout out Casey.
All right, Casey.
Shout out Casey.
Casey. Well, now that we have his email or her, I don't know. Casey could be a girl.
He looked like I'm not gonna say. It's 2021.
Casey has diamond hands.
Jesus.
I've said some bad shit, but I've never gotten us in trouble.
All right, 169. Nice.
All right, that's nearing my target price. My target price is 420.69.
Yeah, we know.
It's ratio based.
Luke, is it true that you got an order? You got an order of GameStop filled at that price?
That may or may not be true. Yes.
Okay, wait, hold on. Just recap. The sheet to do the contest, the GameStop Open contest, that is pinned at the top of the chat in YouTube. Okay. Right now we're streaming on Facebook. We're on LinkedIn.
Wait, it's already got 80. It's already got 86.
We're on Periscope and we're on Twitch, but the link to the sheet is pinned on the YouTube chat. Okay, that's where you got to go to enter the contest. So maybe
we're already up to 100 responses.
So maybe we'll just combine the sheet and the.
Wait, what does the winner get? I'm late. I just saw Spencer Israel laughing like an idiot, and then figured that he must be streaming, and so I just hopped in.
I told the story about getting Andrew left on that one day, but we're giving away a free subscription to Benzinga Pro, but we didn't discuss how long of a subscription.
For one membership, that if they guess the price right.
Yeah, whoever's close to the open.
I think that here's my opinion. All right, I always have opinions, and I always get fired up when I share them and turn up a little bit. But my opinion is that whoever gets it closest gets a year, right? They just get a year of Benzinga Pro.
Yeah,
That's out
yeah,
there.
that's
If
what I was
somebody
thinking.
gets it spot on, they name the exact opening tick, they get it for a lifetime.
To the cent.
To the cent. They get
Okay.
it for a
To the cent.
lifetime, and they get to gift the year-long membership to whoever they want.
Oh my god.
All right, you all heard that?
That's that's like a $7,000 value right
Start
there.
start
That's me
putting
turning up a little bit.
start putting cent values, everyone. If you get
I
it,
did,
if you get it to the penny, you get a lifetime subscription to Benzinga Pro.
and we all know what cent value I picked. I'm not gonna say it.
Again,
We also
go-
have a 3-month one to give out when we get to 1,000 likes, and Luke's in charge of picking that one. Whoever comments on it at the whoever's the comment closest to us when we get to our 1,000th like, Luke is gonna pick that person from the comments, and they get a free Benzinga Pro account as well. We just need that 1,000 likes.
Wait,
Yeah,
wait, hold on. We got the top dog. The top dog is here, and he's gonna help us figure this out. All right, top dog. What do you got?
Howdy,
Top
howdy.
dog.
Let's go. Let's go.
All right, Benzinga Pro top dog. Explain to us how this is gonna work.
All right. What we're gonna do is we're gonna get 1,000 likes on that video. I think we need 100 more, and then whoever's comment Luke sees first is the winner. 3 months. When we get to 1,500, free year.
Wait, so it's whoever Luke sees.
It's Luke's eyes. Luke's eyes determine it.
So it's whoever
It's
likes
1,000 likes,
Yeah.
and then whatever comment Luke sees, that's the winner.
whatever
Does Luke hear this? Does he know is he ready to do this? Because we're about to hit 1,000 right
he's
here, right?
talking with Jason. Hey, Luke, stop talking with Jason. Hop back into the stream.
Uh-oh. Spencer, it's on you now.
Luke, I put you on
All
mute.
right, one second, Spencer.
Oh my
One
God.
second, Spencer.
All right, Luke, you're done. Wait, shit. All right, so I have to just eyeball a comment.
That's
I'm
coming
here.
back.
I'm looking. I'm
Coming.
live. Where do we at?
I should put the chat.
973. We're so close. Keep it going.
I should have put a chat in slow mode.
23.
I got distracted. I didn't put the chat in slow mode. Damn it.
Uh-oh.
I'm
Dude,
looking.
I can't handle this, man. This is too much.
We're at 987. We
We
need
got
13
this,
more.
guys.
Oh my God.
Oh,
And we are.
AB, you're on it. Aaron, you're on it. You know it. You're giving me the winner.
We
I'm
are.
producer AB.
Shit. Oh my God, it's flying now. We're there.
Oh.
Shit. All right. Oh my God. I got it. I got one. All right.
Spencer is the winner.
Chef Remy.
Chef Remy.
Chef Remy. You're the one. I just picked you out. Yes, Chef Remy. Email. Who does Chef Remy want?
aweiss@benzinga.com. And I better not get 100 emails right now.
You're
There's
about
Chef
to.
Remy.
You're gonna get so many, dude. Don't do that.
come on now.
100 emails.
I'm going to get so many emails.
Oh, jeez. All right.
Chef Remy, you got to prove yourself. I don't know how.
Shit.
There's a way. There's a way to know who you are.
This whole thing is screwed. All right.
Well,
we can't-
wait. Someone, Rick, don't be sad. We have another Benzinga Pro to give out. 500 more likes at 1,500. We got
And,
a whole nother account to give out.
also, Rick, just guess the opening price of GameStop. It's not that hard.
Yeah.
Just guess where GameStop's gonna open. We're at one.
It's not that hard.
Here, it's pull my chart.
Keep sending those likes, though. We're there. I mean,
We're at
we have
one
the
se-
people
we're-
here.
We're
We
at
have the people here.
175. Shit, we're at 175 now. We are going higher.
We're at 1,000 likes. That's awesome.
Reminder. The after hours session closes in an hour and 15 minutes. So the fun's gonna have to end eventually for a night. But then we got the pre-market session.
We're gonna be here till 4 a.m., right, Spencer?
Until 4 a.m. Dude, I haven't been home all week. I feel like I've been at the office till 7 to 8 p.m. Yesterday I was here for 14 hours.
What are the Benzinga articles? Do we have any good articles on GameStop today?
Doubtful, because
Always.
this thing went blasted off at like 3:30. Let's go into the handy Benzinga Pro.
I have one that came out like right when it happened with GameStop, AMC, BlackBerry, Koss, all those ones that were popping.
Everyone, it's a free 14-day subscription. There's no credit card required. Market's moving like crazy off of news right now. No reason not to go to pro.benzinga.com.
Wait, Chris. Chris,
Look at this right there.
Chris, was it you with Munger? Was that you? Chris?
Yeah.
Okay. So yeah, we had an article on 320. This is Benzinga Pro. This is the beauty of Benzinga Pro. Okay. Honestly, my favorite thing about it is search. Someone asked me, like the other week, have we ever written an article about like this person? And I don't know. Like, let's just say Elon Musk, right? I don't know if we've written articles about Elon Musk. I can just search Elon Musk. Boom. Every headline or article that mentions Elon Musk on Benzinga, right there. Took 2 seconds. That's why I love Pro.
Yo, who put that comment up there, guys? Take that down. I don't want that up there.
Aaron is the man.
Wall Street Bet approves of Benzinga Pro and loves Benzinga Pro.
Wall Street Bet approved. Awesome. Oh, that's a red candle on the 1 minute.
Andrew, do we have a WSB promo code for Benzinga Pro?
No, I don't think.
Great idea. I can make one right now.
Hey, let's do it and let's post it in Wall Street Bets right now.
Oh God. Dude, I posted our interview with Andrew Left on Wall Street Bets. I hadn't posted on Wall Street Bets in like 2 years. And I posted and it got taken down. Because they are heavy with the moderation there.
Yeah, no, I did the same thing.
They do not mess around.
Someone asked for a redo. What does that mean? On the form? I don't know.
Chef Remy says he emailed Top Dog.
He emailed Top Dog.
All right. Give me tendies. Hey, we're with you, man. We're here for you.
I got the email. Funny email. Let's go. We're good. We're in.
All right. Chef Remy, congratulations. Steve got banned on Reddit for that.
I don't want to know what Steve did to get banned on
I do
Reddit.
not want to know what you did to get banned on Reddit for 7 days, man.
Wow.
That is hard. You gotta do some weird stuff to get banned for a week.
Mr. Mod, what did he do?
Do not tell us what you did. We don't want to know.
Probably posted a short that he said he had a short position
That's
on
it. That's what he did. He posted that he sold GameStop. All right, show AMC some love. Okay.
Wait, Andrew, you're quick. You already put out a coupon code for Wall Street Bets.
20% off. All Benzinga
Oh
Pro
my god.
subscriptions right there.
Yes, fast.
This Top Dog is quick over here.
Yeah, he's good. He's good. Luke Jacoby just said he has to leave.
Oh, he's got to go work out. It's that time.
Jason, we can't hear you.
Jason Raznick.
Jason, we can't hear you.
Oh, Jason's here.
Yeah, but we can't hear him, which is actually kind of for the best.
Now we've got 2 Top Dogs on the chat.
What the fuck? God, now
No.
you can hear me.
Oh, no, we can hear you.
We hear you. Okay.
Yeah, I can't. Why am I echoing?
Wait, Jason Chubnella's even in the chat. Hot damn.
Shubs, join in.
Right,
right.
what's up?
Shubs is giving us updates. See, like those updates, Shubs, that you're writing, you should put on the Benzinga Twitter right now. That's
Totally
useful
agreed.
stuff. Like, take that thing, copy and paste it. Jason Shubnell is scared of the Benzinga Twitter. I think it's because there's 170 million people following it on the Twitter, so I think he's scared to post it. But Shubs, put that on the Benzinga Twitter. If you're not following Shubs on the Benzinga Twitter, you better right now. So what is going on? Do you guys know what I traded AMC? I haven't sold half my positions since the Corona thing. I mean, since the whole thing. And then yesterday I go into my accounts. I'm like, it's time to sell some stuff. I sold some more AMC at 771. And then I still had a little more. That's Jonah Hill. I love it. I look just like Jonah Hill. Yep. And so
What?
I have a little bit left. And guess what I did today after the close?
You sold.
No, I bought more. I bought more AMC. Come on.
Let's go! Yeah, baby. We're running this shit up. We're running up the likes. We're running up the stocks. We're taking this over.
I bought more AMC. I'll show you screenshots, whatever you want. I mean, and hey, I still have a little bit of GameStop when we bought it. When we were the live show, we were the room where it happened, where Citron and the Wall Street Bets went at it, and they're calling me a boomer and all that bullshit. And so I bought some stuff. I can do things like that too, you know. I love that we have the original man, the WSB look-alike. I love it, love it, love it. Do the Raz dance. I would have done the Raz dance if you didn't spell my fucking last name wrong. It's not RAS, okay? I'm literally gonna go nuts.
That's a pet peeve. That's a giant pet peeve.
It is. If someone really wants to piss me off when like they quit, like there's gonna be a person that's gonna quit and they're gonna write me a letter and they're gonna resign, like Jason Rasnick, and then they're gonna say, I like it here, but Warren Buffett, they're gonna spell it with one T. They're gonna get all my pet peeves, and like I'll literally like, yeah.
Wait. What's worse, Rasnick or Resnick?
Oh my God.
Resnick is bad, I think.
Wait, you're saying REZNICK?
Yeah, like REZ.
That's bad. Or RAS is your question?
Yeah.
Great question. I'm gonna go with REZ being the worst.
Okay. Yeah, Resnick.
And I don't know why I'm so finicky with that BS, but I still remember when I was in the Birmingham Eccentric for a golf tournament, and when I was in high school, and they spelled my last name Ronick, ROENICK. So that's what I remember. Hey, do you guys want me to have Vlad on tonight right now?
That would be ridiculous. Yeah.
Do you want me to get him?
Yeah.
Hold on.
I've emailed Vlad. He doesn't respond to my emails.
Is it Vlad or Vlad?
Can we get your mouth here?
Who just asked the pronunciation of the name?
Me. I didn't know. I honestly just
Aaron,
oh my God.
Aaron you should have said Chris.
Yeah, you should have said Chris. You should have said Chris because I won't go
Wall Street Bets guy.
I won't go crazy on Chris, but I'll go crazy on Aaron for sure.
Jason's good. Okay. And Jesse Elite is here too, hanging out.
Are we a pronunciation show now? I mean,
wait, can I just real quick? Whoa, let's go. All right, let's get that comment off there. Can I just read?
Aaron,
what was the comment? Did someone rip me?
Yeah, do you want to know what stocks ARK invest?
What they say about me? What was the thing?
No, it wasn't anything bad. You want to know?
So, here, I'll pin it again. Jason, look at the stream. I thought it was funny. I still think it's funny.
Yeah, it's funny. That's funny. I'll take that.
That was Aaron Bry wrote that.
Chef Remy, I just emailed you. You got your free 3 months. Let's go. 1,500 likes for a free year.
Wait, I will
like button.
I will fall on the floor right now if that is a true statement. If Aaron Bry wrote that, Razdick, I will give him credit and fall on the floor. Did he write that?
He pinned it. He found it. He pinned it.
No, he didn't do it. Okay. So here we go. Vlad Tenev.
Yeah.
I got him on the phone. I'm gonna send. Here we go.
Don't put his number or anything up there.
I'm not going to. But I do text with him. I know you said that you email with him. Spencer, Israel. You've been here for a few years. Yeah. I've told you to create any relationship, you have to become texting friends.
You're right.
Okay.
I don't have his number. What can I say?
But that means you didn't play the game good enough. I
guess.
Like I got 1,100.
That's why he doesn't text you, Jason.
I got 1,259 unread texts, and I'll get to them. But here we go. Let's go. Come on. I go all day. But here, I'm going to text Vlad. So let me.
All right. So you want him on. While he's doing that, I want to remind you all the link, the chat comment that is pinned. There was a link that's pinned in the chat. Put the price where you think GameStop will open. Whoever is closest gets a full year of Runnnning Pro.
And let me turn up for the last one, Spencer.
Turn up for the last one.
If you get the price on the penny, it's a lifetime. I called it. Hey. We're doing it. If you guess the opening price, that opening tick on the penny, you're getting it for your whole life.
Oh wait. If you want, if we don't get Vlad, I'll call Portnoy and bring him on. But you know what? I'm not gonna do, guys. I'm serious. I'm not gonna do it. We should put our core values in here because, like this guy Steve Asaying wrote, Raz, get on it, dude. I'm waiting for my response. Your response to what?
He said he texted you. You're saying you have messages. He's saying he texted you and you didn't respond to him.
Oh, so he's just fucking with me again?
I don't know if he's telling the truth. I have no idea.
And you're not guessing the opening price, the opening tick. You're not doing it in the chat. There's a Google Doc. I'm gonna spam the link in the chat right now. My name is
whoever said I'm having a heart attack. Thiago, you're probably right. If you don't hear from me for a few days, I'll probably be in the hospital. I can't take it anymore of people not doing what they say and saying what they do, incompetence and using pronouns and not being clear. Wait. I can't take it anymore, and I don't know what I'm going to do. I went on a vacation last week for a couple of days, thought that would cool me down, but it hasn't. With using pronouns and spelling Warren Buffett wrong, spelling my name wrong, I can't take it anymore. So, Thiago, you're maybe right. I'm probably too stressed. I probably should go smoke some weed, but I don't smoke weed. I probably should do something. I don't know what I should do, but something. You're probably right. Thiago, if you're a doctor, can you send me some medicine?
Hey, for a hot second,
Let's look at the chart.
For a hot second there, we were at 169.69 for just a second.
Okay, but I don't know what that means. But
Who
anyways,
got that filled? Whoever got
wait.
filled there, you are a champion. You get a Benzinga Pro too.
Atlantic Imports, Benzinga Pro is diamonds. Finviz, yeah, just so you know, Atlantic Imports, true story. 2007, I almost bought Finviz for $532,000, and I really didn't have that kind of money, but I negotiated with them. We went to like the final thing. I can show you the emails. We got to 532,000, and guess what? I was young, dumb, and full of. I don't want to say, but I didn't do the deal, and now Finviz is good. Yeah, I agree. All right. I'm a hilarious boomer. I'm gonna kick RDZ's ass. Call me a hilarious boomer, mother effer.
All right, Spencer. Let's speculate on the price a little bit. Let's look at this thing.
Yeah.
All right, I'm texting Portnoy and Vlad right now.
Okay.
So keep that in mind, okay?
Okay.
Jason Marr, I'm with you. But all right. So we got as high as what? 176, 176, 44, I think is the high tick.
200.
I'm looking at like the last 15 minutes.
Oh, sorry. Okay.
We dumped a little bit.
So this was big. So all right. So our Wall Street Bets mod pointing us to a great thing right here, right? When Robinhood closed for the evening, right? That dip right there, that's Robinhood closing. That's 6 p.m. Okay. We were sort of stuck at this level for a few minutes there. We broke out. We got above 58. We got to 169. We got to like 170. 174. And now we're off that level. So we're right there, guys. We are right there.
And what was the top tick, Spencer? Was it 200 on the dot?
On the kisser. 200 on the kisser.
So that's going to be the level to watch tonight and tomorrow morning, guys.
$200.
And I'm going to do a history lesson. And when I say history, I'm going to say I'm going back 3 weeks. The wild moves in GameStop did not happen intraday. Go back and look at your charts. From 10 a.m. to 3 p.m., the stock was essentially flat. And when I say flat, I mean it was like a 20% range, which for this stock was flat. The wild moves happened basically after 6 p.m. It was like that 6 to 8 window, and then from 4 a.m. to 7 a.m. That's when we got those wild ass moves. And so, you know, tonight is it petered out a little bit? I don't necessarily think so. I think it could still get some room to retest some of those highs. But tomorrow morning it will be hot. I mean, this thing will be flying early in the morning. Shout out Jesse Elite.
How do you know be flying, Luke?
Okay, I don't know that. Okay, sorry. Let me clarify. The volume will be flying, is what I mean. The volatility will be flying.
Here, let's see.
I don't necessarily mean that the stock is going to be higher definitively.
That's my guy.
But what I mean is, this is going to be the most actively traded stock at 5 a.m. We all know that that's the case, and the range is going to be huge.
So look, I'm in the movers tool right now. This is after hours. Okay, look at the volume.
What's that movers tool from? What platform?
Benzinga Pro. What else?
If you're not a member of Benzinga Pro, you're losing money every day.
86 million shares of AMC traded after hours. We know why more AMC is traded than GameStop because AMC is much lower priced. But 38 million shares. Wait, is this?
Shout out to Jason saying Luke knows. Jason Marr in the chat.
Is this updated? Let me make sure my data is right.
Hey, in Benzinga Pro, is Bert listening to this? Because when it's after hours, there needs to be 2 fields: after hour price and the thing. I have to go back and forth, and that needs to be fixed. Top priority. Can you do that tonight, someone?
Bert, get on that, please. Thanks. All right, back to the chart.
Someone in the chat's asking to explain the vol.
Jesse,
the volume.
Jesse Elite just wrote me, Luke, give a shout out to Jesse Elite. That's what he just texted me. Thanks, Jesse. I'm here. Do you not see me?
Jason's best friend. Let's go.
Shout out Jesse Elite. Elite trading.
Have you guys met his sister Jessica?
What?
Have you met Jesse Elite's sister Jessica? It's Jesse and Jessica. Have you met him?
It's terrible.
Do you guys not know that person? Okay, fine.
No.
All right, I'm writing this text. Hey man, to Vlad. Hey man, we're live now, talking with investors, etc. And they challenged me to see if we could get you to come on for come on for just a few minutes. All
right, if that happens, we all got to hop, and so because it's going to be too chaotic. So like we'll let like Raz and
no, it's Rodrigo. WSB is going to be the one.
Yeah,
we're gonna
WSB.
We're gonna let Rodrigo and Vlad go on it.
That would be unreal.
Guys.
So I did try for a hot second there to run through these stocks that Kathy Wood bought today, if y'all care. I don't know if you do.
Yeah, hit it, Spencer.
Well, wait,
All right.
wait. Before you do that, have you
Yeah.
given them the page on Benzinga, benzinga.com/Kathy Wood Trades each day that automatically shows them that we peel out of the newsletter? Have you given that page yet?
No, I have not.
Yeah.
Kathy Wood Trades.
Why is Omar Ramos calling me a creep? What I do creepy just now?
Wait.
I'm not saying I'm not being creepy, but I just want to know
Kathy
how it is.
Wood. Kathy Wood Trades.
It's not up yet, Spencer. Hopefully it'll be out by tomorrow.
Why would you tell me to go there if it's not up yet?
because I feel like if I can say it, I can make it happen somehow. And all right,
Wait,
so are we?
I know
That's our
why.
business
I
strategy.
know why, because it's CATHY Kathy Wood Trades.
Yeah.
And
do
that page
you guys know I have Kathy Wood on for an hour, March 3rd?
yeah, we're
Yeah.
excited.
Yep. I'm
On
the
the
guy that
YouTube?
wrote, would it be better to be called Jason Raznick? I think he deserves at least a free month of Benzinga Pro. Oh, Ken Smith. Yeah, Jesse Elite, baby. What up?
Let's
All
get
right,
to
so
2,000 likes. Thank you, Jesse.
all right, okay. All right. So I just got the thing to Vlad. And now what I need from all you guys, because he needs to see my name, because he gets the text, he sees my name, but he made us think, it's another guy asking, because I don't talk to him that much. He's not like David Port, he's not one I talk to a ton, but he's a nice guy, no question. Okay, so
what do you need to do?
so this is what I need your help with right now. I'm calling all Zinger Nation, Zinger Nation, to come here and help us. This is what we're gonna do. So we're gonna tweet to Mr. Vlad, all right, and and by the way, Vlad, I don't know, producer Aaron. I understand it's an important thing.
We should ask him.
Yeah, no, that's me the first question, by the way. That's me the first question.
You know what?
So
I'm posting his Twitter in the chat right now, so y'all can all click on the link and tweet right at him directly.
Hey, you know what? This is a good tool. I talked about this earlier. Benzinga interviewed Vlad a couple years ago.
did what
yeah,
tool?
yeah. And I plugged the Benzinga Pro search tool. It's great for proper nouns. You want to search someone's name. This is every headline or article that mentioned Vlad Tenev ever on Benzinga. Okay, so
Wow.
and that's
And we publish 800 times a day, guys. If you can believe that, 800 times a day.
And
That's
so,
how big
and
this
look,
easy news team
and
is.
that's how I found this article from October 2018 about why Robinhood decided to clear its own trades. Boom! Look at that. Took 2 seconds to find.
What's the answer?
I can't read that fast, man.
Okay.
Here's yeah, and I think here's the other one. So you can also just do benzinga.com/topic/Robinhood to find all the.
Wait, but where's
All
the
right.
article? But wait, you said he came on before?
We profiled him before. I'll find it for you real fast.
All right, because
Everyone that just came on, the top thing, the pin, the Google Doc, if you can guess what GME will open with tomorrow, is that right? 9:30 tomorrow?
9:30 a.m. Wait,
If
and
you
top
get it on the dot,
first
you get a
pick.
free Benzinga Pro for life.
I saw someone asking, what's the dollar value of that? A lifetime Benzinga Pro subscription.
Take $1,500 and however many years you think you'll be alive for, multiply that by. So
A lot of money.
but isn't the new price of upcoming, if you're not a member of Benzinga Pro now, isn't the new price annually $2,500? So you'll be looking at it that way too, if you're not a member.
prices are rising. Prices are rising.
Yeah, because we have the rising for a good reason. We're adding a ton of more services to it. Wait till they see the new version, and we're not gonna keep it open forever. So we'll see.
So I don't know how to put this article because the chat moves so fast.
I got it. I got the article.
Well, I got it too. The one about the physics student, that one?
I think so.
Yeah, from March 2016. We profiled Vlad before he was,
Vlad.
the king of the memes, or not the king, but we cover them throughout. We've covered them throughout the years. We've had several interviews with Vlad throughout the years.
You can't hyperlink a word in a tweet. Like I don't want to put the whole link. I want to put the freaking. That sucks. Okay.
Yeah, I'm gonna start posting all these articles in chat.
No, I just
Open at
posted
what
it.
time? 4 a.m. No, 9:30 Eastern a.m.
Yeah. All right, guys. I got to get running.
What?
Peace
What-
out.
what-
Happy
what-
trading. I know.
Wait, you have to go to the
See you
gym?
guys.
Call in from the gym.
Why do you have to go to the gym?
I got to go get my body and my mind
Your
in a
body,
healthy place.
your body looks great.
Well, thank you.
Oh, I shouldn't
They don't call
I get
hot
that a
stocks
lot.
for nothing.
I shouldn't have said that out loud. Should I have?
Yeah, hot stocks. It's a Dumble and
All right.
Tundra, whatever
Can
that
you
means.
can you guys retweet what I just put in there? Okay.
Wait.
And then
All right.
What? I just did a tweet to him.
Yeah, no, I know, but chat moved so fast that I didn't see it. So
Okay, well, I'll make another tweet too.
that does nothing.
Or just go on Google, search Jason Raznick Twitter. Boom.
Yeah, I mean, whatever you guys want to do, you can. But what I was going to also say to you guys, how do we make everyone a lot of money tomorrow? Like, that's what I want people to make money in this world. How do we do that?
GameStop calls.
You get a
GameStop
Benzinga Pro trial, you get in the chat room with Benzinga Pro, and we all make money together.
That's true. I mean, Andrew, like, I'm asking for real solutions. That is a true statement because that is one of the things. So, all right, that's good. Wait, did you see this update on Twitter? Wait, was this old news from Robinhood at 41 minutes ago?
No, Luke just did.
Earlier today, the New York Stock Exchange temporarily halted trading game trial. As a result, SEC limit up down rule impacting all brokers. To be clear, Robinhood did not pause trading. You see that? Yeah, you guys saw that.
Was it the uptick rule? Is
Yeah.
that was in play? Yeah, the alternative uptick rule. Okay, so nothing out of the ordinary there.
Nope, I know. You understand the uptick rule, right?
Yep. So, okay, 7:06. We have 54 minutes left in the after hours session. Let me just run through real fast. The stocks that ARK Invest bought, I'm sure they're up after hours, and we'll run through it in the chart right now to see. Okay, this email comes out every day. Go to the ARK Invest website, sign up for their email. We get it every day. Okay, GameStop. Jeez, ARK Invest bought today 120,000 shares of Open Door, OPEN. Let's pull up the just.
What do they do, Spencer?
They're what, like
Online home sales.
Real estate home selling online, yeah, something like that. It was a Chamath spec.
Like a Zillow competitor.
No, it's not. Oh, a Zillow competitor.
It is.
No, I thought it was. Okay.
Zillow has two businesses now. They have the one that they had before, and then they buy houses to resell them too.
Zillow got into that a couple years ago, right?
Hey, no, Chris, egg on my face. I was thinking, what's the housing site that you can let your neighbors talk on? What's that one?
Oh, Nextdoor.
Nextdoor.
They're not public, yeah.
Never sign up for that. They don't take your email out of their database, no matter how many times you unsubscribe. So that is Nextdoor. Yeah, I have that going in my spam.
All right, so we're doing stocks that Kathy Wood / ARK Invest bought today. Open Door. They bought, and I'm only going to do the largest buys. They bought 187,000 shares of CMLF.
What's that?
CM Life Sciences. It's up 5% after 4.5% after hours. They added it to the genomics one. They bought about 295,000 shares of Signify Health, SGFY. That's up after hours. They bought, I'm only doing the small ones. I'm sorry, the large ones. They bought Square. They bought over half a million Square shares. Wow. She loves buying the dip. Kathy Wood loves to buy the dip. Square got rocked today. They had earnings. They said they bought more Bitcoin. Square got rocked. And look, let's zoom in. Let's zoom way the hell in.
Yeah, that's a big.
See that green candle? That's the Kathy Wood email right there.
That's Kathy. Kathy's bullish on Bitcoin.
That's Kathy. That green candle. I mean, that's not her. That's the email going out.
All right, you guys. Yeah. You know who I'm texting right now?
Portnoy?
Nope. Wait, I can't see it. Will you get off your visual thing or whatever?
Yeah. Here. I'll pin you.
I got a better idea. Get off the. Yeah. I can't. I'm looking at YouTube. Sorry. That's it. This is
no. Other way. Okay.
There it is. Kathy Wood.
That's Kathy Wood. I'm texting her right now.
Okay.
And I'll see if I can get her. Oh, I'm not gonna ask her to come out right now.
No.
But I have another angle right now.
Okay. Let me keep going on my list. Let's unpin Raznick, and we'll go back to the after hours. So yes, that green candle on Square. That's Kathy's email going out to the market. Okay. What else did they buy? They bought. Oh my goodness, 1.2 million shares of Snapchat today. She's been buying Snapchat. Didn't really move.
I thought she sold Snap.
Oh, I read that wrong. Thank you, Chris. She sold Snapchat. We don't care about the sales.
Okay, Spencer, that is big time egg on your face. Do you have an egg you can crack on your face?
That's bad.
Chris for president.
That's bad. Okay.
Wait though, do you see what's coming up next for buys? She bought Workhorse today.
Yeah, she bought. Oh my God, here we go. She bought 660,000 shares of Workhorse. Look at the green candle. Look at that. That's because of her. That's because people follow Kathy. What she buys matters. What she sells doesn't matter at all. Look at that candle. That's all Ark Invest influence right there. Let's keep going down the list. Workhorse. She keeps on buying Vuzi. She loves her Vuzi, V-U-Z-I. She loves that one. That's up after hours.
I got in at Boozy at $4. It's a great 5G player.
You still in? Of course you are. Diamond hands. Bought 208,000 shares of One, which is AONE.
Yeah, so that's a new purchase. That's a SPAC that just announced a deal today. 3D printing.
Heyo! New
3D
purchase.
3D printing.
Yeah, it's like a desktop metal competitor. So they have a huge customer base, though. I mean, Ford, GM, Tesla, the U.S. Army, the U.S. Navy, SpaceX, Blue Origin, NASA. It's huge.
All right, so I'm gonna buy this one. AONE, you said?
Yep, AONE.
Is it Loud Trades and After Hours? I'm gonna buy right
All
now.
right, everyone's
What?
asking. Everyone's asking how to get these
We
notifications.
have a on Benzinga.com tomorrow or the next day. You're gonna be able to go to Kathy Wood Trades on Benzinga.com, and you're gonna have all the notifications when these come out.
Yep.
It'll be uploaded there. Okay, AO1 is up 11%, up 20% today. So you could have bought it at 30. Now, do you own this one, Kaji?
No, I don't own this one.
All right, I'm putting an order in, Kaji. You don't hate it, right? You don't hate that I buy
Oh
it.
wait, show us that cat. Show us that cat, WSB.
No, I like this one, guys.
He just jumps here whenever he feels like it.
All right, thanks, Kaji.
I like it.
Kaji, by the way, isn't this a little better than like hanging out at Oga's all day?
Dude, come on.
No, I'm asking him seriously. Dude, why is that bad? Like, I used to hang out at Oga's, dude. What's wrong with that, Spencer? But I'm saying I haven't had an orange free, Spencer, in like 3 months, honestly.
Right.
So, Kaji, what I'm asking you seriously.
I mean, try working at a restaurant during a pandemic with all the limitations.
Oh my God, you'd have to wear a mask all day. Like,
Yeah.
like how annoying would that be, dude?
All right. There's only a couple more on the list here that I want to mention. We mentioned AONE. That's up there now. They bought.
This is real time. If you log in, if you look at your brokerage and you see the after-hour trades in AONE, my bid is the top bid right now.
Wait, I'm on a. Let's pull up a 1 minute.
Yeah, pull up a 1 minute. Oh, just executed. Just executed. The 1512 print is me.
All right.
Okay.
You just bought stock from Dennis, probably. I don't know. I'm making that up.
I probably did. No,
You probably did.
I'll probably lose tomorrow, but
okay.
go ahead.
That was it for the main Ark Invest. All right, we've gone too long without looking at GameStop. All right, we've quieted down once again. We're at that 168, 169 area. Very quiet.
Alex Sanchez, I don't do that anymore. I've been married. I have 3 kids, man. So that's not me.
I don't even want to know what you're talking about right now.
Hey, real quick, I just saw a comment from Casey saying he's heading out. Casey, I just sent you an email. Set up your Benzinga Pro account. Thank you for setting up that form again. Thank you very much.
Yeah, buddy. Casey,
Everyone smash that like.
Casey
Smash the like
Shadowitz.
button.
He earned a $400 Benzinga Pro account by making us a form. So
because
there you go.
If we get to 1,500 likes tonight, we're pretty close, and we got enough people there. Free year of Benzinga Pro.
Wait, he got a free account because he made a form? What do you mean a form?
Yeah. Yeah, that's basically what happened.
Who approved this?
You gave out $1,500 for a form, right? Is that what you said?
No, not 50. It was a 3-month one, $400.
Okay. All right, no, I like you being creative. I will give out multiple Benzinga Pro accounts if you can build tools for us. If you're a developer, designer in business development, you could build, or tonight you could build a tool for us that we can show on Benzinga that we can use, or you can make videos for us that we can use as intros. Anything you guys build, I will give a free year. I'll do whatever you take. If you're a developer, email me at powerhour@benzinga.com. If you're a badass designer, I will whatever you guys want. Listen, we are for the people, by the people. We're trying to take on the world of financial media, but we can't do it alone. We need you guys, our video network. We want you guys. We want to go 24 hours. We need other hosts. We need you guys to, if you're a software developer, build us a cool tool tonight and show it to us tomorrow or today, whatever, and we'll show it on the show. People like it and want to use it. Well, I'll get you a free year of Benzinga Pro. So
Ooh.
like this is I'll get it, and the Pro is going up to $2,500 a month, so $2,500 a year. So I'm telling you, and subscribe. We have 71,000 people. Come on, if we don't have 80,000 subscribers by the end of this month, we're turning this whole thing off. So that's it. But we're here for the people, by the people. So we need you guys. If you can build something that's awesome, or want to host a show, we're again for the people, by the people. I used to work for big corporate America. I'm telling you guys, it's bad. This is our way to change the world.
Oh, you're done now. Damn it! Right when I spotlight you, finished talking.
Oh, really?
Spencer, come on, man. Come on, man.
I just missed it. Ryan
Sorry.
Faluna, Benzinga Pro aficionado, is here now.
How's it going, everybody? Nice to see WSB in the house.
All right. All right. I'm texting Portnoy right now.
Okay.
Because I have not heard from Vlad. Have any of you guys retweeted my thing? Austin Henning. Who's that? I feel like I know that name.
He's in
the chat.
He's a diehard. He's in the chat.
Is there Josh was asking if there's a discount for paying annual. There is. I'll hook you up.
Is Austin Henning that meme on YouTube? Okay, hold on. What's Portnoy? Yeah, Dave. You know what the Nelk Boys? There was a guy who had pizza, and they called him like, "Get out of here!" You guys don't know the Nelk Boys, okay?
No,
But okay, I'm texting Portnoy right now. Okay, for my. I need the link again, but whatever.
I just had
Hey, buddy.
For Pro, tonight only. WSB Wall Street Bets.
Okay, Lore.
10% off any subscription.
Wait.
go.
How you doing, bud?
What's the link? I'll put it up on my screen.
What you been up to?
Benzinga.com /checkout.
It's exciting.
Shout
Should
out
I
to
go
Toronto.
to
It
that
was their
instead of
1
on
year
this?
anniversary today of having Benzinga Pro. Happy Benzinga Pro anniversary.
Now I feel embarrassed.
Pro.benzinga.com.
I will leave. Bye, buddy.
WSB. There we go. Boom. Oh, it keeps logging me in. God damn. I'm gonna have to
Hey,
Spencer.
hey,
Sorry.
Spencer, please don't swear.
Sorry.
Not much.
Shubs' baby is watching.
Are you still live?
I'm
That
sorry.
was that was a
Oh,
joke.
Shubs did. He did tell me to cool
Oh,
it with
cool.
the GDs.
You get
The
those advertisements on
GDs.
there?
That was
So-
bad. I can't believe you dropped the GD live.
You get the advertisements on
GD.
there?
What do you mean GD? Damn thing you're saying?
Yeah.
I sent them on
Yeah, you shouldn't
Discord.
say that.
Yeah. I'm being scolded now.
Ryan, what's going on? You ended the happy hour like 2.5 hours ago, and we're still happy.
I know. I love it.
Who we
I
got
actually, you guys have been crazy. I went to go work out. I went to go have dinner. I saw WSB show up. I was all pumped up. So I was like, I'm going to come on back. What is your
Oh,
guys'
okay, you
guess
got
for the
big guys,
opening
yep.
print on GameStop tomorrow?
That
Can you
is the
imagine
question,
happening
isn't
again?
it? That's the
Have you
question.
heard what we're doing, Ryan?
What?
The link at the top is a Google sheet, and if someone
Okay.
guesses the exact
I'll
open at 9:30,
check out those
free
advertisements. I'll be right back.
lifetime subscription to Benzinga Pro.
Lifetime. I didn't realize it was lifetime, but yes, I knew what you were doing. I was
Okay, I'll
trying to
be
get
right
your guess. I was trying to see what you think it is, Slice.
Well, let's pull up a chart. So
What is it even now?
We can get some context. We're at
170.
We're at 168, 170, somewhere in that window.
Lifetime is a little too long, I think.
Hey,
Two lifetimes. Two
Take it out
lifetimes.
of Luke Jacoby's
Oh,
chat.
That was Mr.
Man,
Hot
I-
Stock's idea.
One for him and his wife's boyfriend. So 2 lifetimes.
That's it. That's it. We're at 169.99. Okay, my official guess I'm gonna go with for tomorrow is 195 is my guess for the 9:30 open.
I'm 169.69.
Okay.
That's my.
I'm
guess.
gonna go 213.17. I think we test 200 in the pre-market and we break it.
For sure. I think we're definitely going to test 200 in the pre-market, but
Yeah.
the question is 9:30.
What was
Mark it in.
discount code again? Trying to sign up now.
213.17.
Discount code is WSB.
WSB 20% off any
WSB.
subscription.
Alex, why would you get spammed endlessly for your email on a Google Doc? Maybe the people in here would. I'm not going to email you. You're a mean person.
No, we have a sheet now. You won't get spammed. It's fine.
Spencer,
Wait,
I
have you guys
slacked you
seen-
the
have-
direct link.
How you doing?
Thanks, Wes.
Oh, Kajay left us. Have you guys seen the Google form that we made initially? It's kind of funny now. The first one we made.
All right.
First one we made. When
Will you show it? 'Cause
Are
I
they
have no time
on?
to click on it.
All right, this is the link. It's up on the screen. pro.benzinga.com/checkout/.
Okay, for which one?
This is where it gets you. right there.
Oh, GameStop.
Or
You
you
still
just
in
go to
GameStop?
checkout and at the bottom,
No,
if you go to the bottom
no.
there, Spencer, you can
What's
type in the coupon code.
what's the funny one? What's the
I'll
funny
show.
one?
I'll show
Oh,
you.
okay, that's
We
cool.
made
That's
a,
cool. I've been
a
out for
form
like
like
I
a
know
this.
week,
you'll
two
show me, but
weeks
are you gonna
actually,
show
so
it
I
in the
wasn't really
same thing
trading.
or what?
I'll
Yeah,
show.
yeah.
I'll show it
Go
right
for it.
now. I'll show it
But
right now. I'll
guys
show
are
it right now.
killing-
This
Oh,
is
that's good.
This
That's
is
what we tried to do. Someone edited this in here. I don't know who
What they
made
put?
that.
Yeah, someone just messed it up because we made it open to the public.
Okay, it went up today.
You
It
know,
was
there's
40
always
something
people
today.
that
Yeah.
hate. Are they
I
gonna?
organized it. You're welcome. Whoever did that.
Are they
Whoever did
gonna?
that thing.
Are they gonna invest in Benzinga?
Okay,
Swag?
but why is it going up, or is it the same thing?
Is Benzinga? I assume this
Yeah,
means
yeah,
Benzinga
yeah,
good
yeah,
for
yeah.
Canada.
I want to get
As
in.
long-
I would
as
have been
long
a
as you-
little scared. I was like,
as long
nah,
as you
let
have
me
internet
stay away.
connection.
But
You have
looks
internet
like I
connection.
shouldn't.
Use Benzinga Pro. It is not restricted in any countries that we know of. Maybe North Korea.
Okay, see, man, I
Alright,
should have
alright,
do
Not in
that.
North
All
Korea.
right, all
You're
right, all
fine.
right. So if Dave comes on, we can't have all these people here.
Right.
In here. So I just gave him the link to log on. I don't know if he's going to, but I'm just saying if he does,
Hmm. Well,
we
my
gotta,
problem,
like,
I mean, you have to
what
start
you,
doing a
you guys
class
can
for the
stay, but we
options,
gotta
man,
like,
because
you know what I
my
mean?
options
Yeah,
is weak,
we gotta start booting people.
weak,
offense
weak.
to
I
you.
mean, I even
I thought
started,
that
I
was
tried to
that-
get back
Ryan,
into the
you want
options,
Ryan
and
to take it over?
nah, man, every time I
feel
think I
like
lose, you know? So,
Ryan's too shy.
Too shy to do what?
Anything.
no, really and
Too
truly,
shy to
nah,
do
nah.
anything.
I don't really understand what
That's
option is. I mean,
ridiculous.
right now I'm gonna
That's
do good
absolutely
on Ford.
ridiculous. I love
I was
doing
down
it.
on Ford,
I
but
play it
now
all
you
the
know
time.
Ford
I
went
think
up
you're
today,
shy.
and it looks like it's still
Ramiro.
going
I
up.
don't know
So
what they're talking
by
about.
tomorrow I'm gonna be
Ramiro,
good
I
on
don't know what you're
Ford, but
talking
that's about
You're
it.
liar. God.
We've
You
been
know?
showing the chart the entire time.
What is it?
This is it. This is the
This
chart.
is the
that makes
chart.
Yeah.
I don't know what you're talking about. This is it.
So
Click on the chart tab. Click on the
Mhm.
chart tab.
do you know how many?
Ryan has some good chart tricks. We might want to have him take over.
Oh yeah,
Okay,
Ryan's much better than I am.
Aaron Sprague. Okay, our quotes page, quotes.benzinga is not great.
Yeah.
Make us a better quotes page. A page to see our headline. Anything. I make a Kathy Wood page. Anything, man. Go look at benzinga.com. Make something that you think's better. Or make a tool to show after our mover stocks.
Yeah.
I mean, where can you start? You could, if you're a software developer, there's a million things you could do. I mean, you can make anything. And if you impress me tonight or tomorrow, I'll get you a year of pro and get you on the payroll.
Yeah.
Starting wage is about 100,000 for medium. And then, you know, if you're great, 150, 250, whatever it takes. Again, we're going against the world here. So we got to like really change the game. That's why we need you guys. I mean, this is not just something we do for a living. We're trying
Yeah.
to change some shit and we need badasses. And I see like, you know, that one guy who's a big time hater, whatever, Sauce World. What is Benzinga? It's like that thing that when you were in like high school and you imagine what would be the greatest thing in life. That's what Benzinga is.
Yeah.
We're
Yeah,
just a
yeah.
bunch of guys and girls hanging out talking stocks. That's what we do all day.
And we love what we do all day. It's a
Yeah.
passion.
But
The
Ryan's
option.
shy.
But
the-
evidently-
175 guys. We are
Whoa.
we are
Okay,
busting out.
Auburn Mountain View TV. I don't know if you're a TV video editor or anything like that. Yeah, make some shit for us. Our video needs to be better. Make some stuff. Do whatever you can. Make whatever you can. How about user interface and feature design? Sure, Mike, that's great. Anything. Email powerhour@benzinga.com or DM my Twitter at Jason Rasnick, JASON.
Yeah, you know, I never sold a.
Where I send my
So
codes to. You
I'm
send it to
teaching an
GitHub,
options
you send it
class
to powerhour
during
at
phase
benzinga.com.
4 of our course too, like
a
where it'll
year
detail,
subscription,
give you
and,
strategies and the meaning behind all of it
181,
too.
181.
Okay.
Yeah, the only reason I haven't
Just
taught it yet is
200
because like I want
tonight.
people to learn the
We're
foundations and
going.
learn how to trade on demo
The step
accounts.
by step,
reinforce
yeah.
that
Guess for tomorrow.
options
No,
like
because
nobody
the price
realized.
also can go back down. I think we're going to test 200, but I'm going to stick with 213.17. I got a method to my madness.
Wait,
Yeah, and here's the thing, like options is the most profitable,
I
but the
know.
most
What are you
risky,
talking
about?
right?
The most
Which is
risky,
why
yeah.
I started you guys on Forex.
Kenneth. I don't know what you're talking. Kenneth
I don't know.
Smith.
Chat's moving too fast to keep
Here,
track. I'm sorry.
I'll make some things. Okay, I'll make some wagers right now. Hold on. All right.
Yeah, no, but I see what Mickey is teaching us. You know, I spot it every now. I know how to, you know, the uptrend. I know how to identify. I know how to, you know, like I can see if it's going to continue. I can
Do we
see if
need
it's
any
going to do a
decks or screen
reversal.
rooms built?
I'm
Great
kind of
question.
getting into
Kenneth is asking a great
the,
question.
you know, what he's teaching us
you want
about
me
the
to make any
stop
decks?
hunts and
Yeah,
you know, the
quick
order blocks. All that I
but
see
we
it. You know
will
what I mean? But I
this
just
summer.
need some time, I guess, to put it together. You know, so I don't really want to rush and jump in when I'm not. I won't even say I'm 10% yet. You know, I'll be a lot more
Where has,
comfortable when I
where's-
get it like
where's
at least
Sauce
around
been? You
50,
just asked
60,
what
70%. I'll feel
done to be
comfortable
able to
jumping in.
We don't know. That's the point. That's the joke.jpg. We don't
If you
know.
had joined us for our happy hour earlier, there were a couple of conspiracy theories floated that we had.
Probably
Oh,
connect.
Kajay was getting real deep into some conspiracy theories.
I love it.
Yeah, I see your
You know
screen.
what?
You're
That
watching the
stuff is
Benzinga thing.
entertaining. Bring it on.
Yeah.
We were. It was everything from a gamma squeeze to an orchestration. I mean, it's just crazy stuff. Fun
Rachel,
to see.
how do you get the discount for Benzinga Pro? WSB is the code.
Yeah, shout
One
out
night
to
only.
Joshua Sledge. Just bought an annual with the code. Let's go.
Wow.
Any of you, shout out to him, Joshua Sledge. Gabe Monday, yes, we need graphic design stuff badly. But listen, if you guys can build us a rating score based on analyst ratings, a score like how likely their probability is of success or whatever it was, an insider trading score, like how many versus selling, and take like the average of the mean of the market and back test it over the last 4 years to see if the score works. We would like that. What else does Benzinga need? We need so if you had an insider trading score, you would be able to like look in the past when they had big server. What else do we want at Benzinga? There.
If you are good on camera, if you have personality, we want you. We want you.
Then why the heck are you on camera then, Spencer?
That's a great question.
Well, we need to replace
Cool,
him.
cool. So when did you start professionally trading?
Okay.
I got something else we need. We need, if you can build me a really simple relative volume meter that measures the relative volume of a stock as the trading day goes along, build that for me and show it to me. We need that. It's easy. I know someone can do that.
I don't even understand what you're saying.
Yeah, I don't even know what that means.
Okay. So every day
You always explain it wrong. You explained to me before. I know what you're talking
Yeah.
about. Charlie
just told me that you didn't know what I was saying, and then told me that you knew what I was talking about.
I know. Charlie Gasparino just texted me as we speak.
Bring him on. That'll be a riot.
GameStop fiasco has Chanos.
Yeah. No, what I'm trying to say is when did it actually like click for you? Like, oh man, I got
Did he text you a link to his own
I
article?
basically know what I'm doing. I've been doing it for a while.
He does it all the time.
Honestly,
I don't know why he
never.
texts me. I
You
get
just
alerts
you learn every
link
day,
to his
right?
own fucking article, and then he wanted to come on the show, and then and then they wanted to schedule it. Like here, I'm gonna write to him. We're live now. We're live now, and I guarantee this will right back. I'll say, ask Casey. Ready? We're live now. Come on the show. Watch this, guys. You guys should all write Gasparino.
Oh man,
on the show. They are talking about you. Don't do it yet, guys. About you in chat. Okay. Check it out. Don't write about him yet, guys, because he's not going to see this yet. I need to get the damn link. Wait, I didn't have the link. He's
186, guys. 186. Just hit 186. I feel like I'm a live squawker during.
Man, I can't believe it,
Hit
man.
that like
185.
button.
Wow.
We're 200 away from a free annual subscription to Benzinga Pro. I got sushi coming.
We're not giving another free annual. What do you mean? A free annual for what, dude?
1,500 likes.
Oh, shut up. That's nothing. Get us to 75,000 subscribers, man. Come on, or 73,000, 1,500 likes. They can.
Let's see that. That would probably.
Ryan just asked.
I've been out of the loop for a while.
I guess if you can build him a relative volume something or other.
But last week, my wife's been.
So just give me 20 seconds to explain. Basically, every morning a stock
Okay,
has a
see, that's
relative
good.
volume. As the volume trades, the total volume traded on the day goes up. Build me a meter that expresses in a percentage how much volume has been traded versus the stock's relative volume. Because if that meter gets to 100% at 10 o'clock in the morning, that's something I want to know about. If it gets to 100% at 4 o'clock in the afternoon, that's just an average day. Build me that meter.
Yeah.
It's really, really simple. It uses 2 data points, volume and relative volume, and it spits out a percentage. If you want to talk more, if you have more questions about it, please email me. If you can build that for me, that'd be much appreciated.
187, guys. We're getting to 200 tonight before 8 o'clock. We have a half hour left. We're getting 188. We're getting there.
And here's what I would say. If you're going to build it for Ryan, just start building it. Don't ask a million questions. Get it started, then write to him and show that you can do it. So talk to Jason. He knows me. Brian, I know you, but you were working with John G, and I don't know what happened. So I do know you, and I know you're talented. So maybe you're the guy for it. Who knows? Like he's a local dude as well. So I like Brian. I do. He's on my wall. If you look at my wall of develop. See, I want like from these shows, our GameStop show that one day. We hired officially one guy, and we are almost 2, but Brian Gay made it on my wall over there, which you guys, I guess I could show it to you. See, I have the way of these developers. There's 7, and 2 are officially hired.
Not that much, no.
Crazy stuff right now. And so, yeah, if you're a badass, We're trying
Yeah,
to
what's going
change
on?
the freaking way this information is delivered and giving you the tools and not charging you an arm and leg like freaking Bloomberg. 50,000, 25,000,
Yeah,
30,000
for
a
sure.
year. Come on, guys.
Did
It's
you want me to do that
ridiculous.
now?
Wait a minute. 190.
190.
191. Let's go.
Sweet. Yeah, I'll
Spencer,
pull it up
how
here now.
long are you right now? How long are
I'm not. I'm not.
Beginner train. I'm a polyglot. You can be whatever language. I mean, we use React, we use Golang, we use Java, we use WordPress, but we have some
Okay,
things
sweet.
that will change the world that we think, and we need these people. Like we can't do this without you guys. I don't know. I am speaking into the mic. Am I not speaking into the mic? What is the freak?
No, you are. It was when you turned your head to look at the wall, you weren't.
Yeah, I wanted to show you the damn wall. I mean,
Oh yeah, I will
192.
get on
Guys,
it right.
200 is
Asshole.
200 is up next. We are going straight. We're heading right there right now. We got a
What
half hour.
defines the moon? When do you get to the moon? What is the moon?
I don't know.
1,000. That is the moon.
1,000 is the moon?
1,000 is the moon. It's done deal.
Discover don't apply. Discover don't apply. What's the salary?
Damn.
The salary is what
Are you
want
in
us-
this?
what we
Are
build.
you
I
in
mean,
this
listen,
live, or
someone's
are you
asking,
just
well,
sharing
how much
this?
money am I getting paid? And we don't know what you can do. I mean, if you can build the stuff
Oh,
that we
yeah.
want and like really build it in like 3 months, I'll pay you 500,000 a year. Is that what you?
If you build it, they will come. Smart man said that.
No, but think about it, Andrew Weiss. If the things that we wanted in pro like could get done in a month, and we'd pay you $300,000, $500,000. Well, what do I tell you? I don't know what you're building. What's the salary? It's $10,000 a year. Like I don't freaking know. I don't know what you're doing.
10,000 a year in Bitcoin.
And by the way,
The
instead we
old
can do
Easter
another
egg.
thing. We can just pay you bounties, build that thing that Ryan Faluna wants, then do that. You know what I mean? Let's talk on Zoom, Auburn Mountain View. Why talk on Zoom? I'm talking to you right here. I when I leave this room, I like you
Hell
guys
yeah.
don't. I don't even know. Come on, okay?
It's awesome.
All right, so we've got a 41% short interest in GameStop.
Hey,
for
hey
those
guys,
asking.
do the Charles Gasparino thing right now. Here's stuff. He's here.
Do the what?
I don't know. Like, tell Charles to come on in the chat. I don't know. He's here. He's here.
I'm sure Charles would have some pretty good sources.
Brad, did you see this? Lizard King just tweeted at you. Tell Lizard King to hop on here.
Shut
Will you
the
tweet
fuck
back
up.
to him for me?
Send him the link. Get him in.
Yeah, Breeze.
Are you
Did
serious?
he link it to me? Did he tweet to me or what?
Oh man, so yo, I
I'm gonna need
download
you all to go
Webull,
follow
right?
my man at Jason Raznick, and then the top
And
comment is
it's only
Mike,
an
my boy
American
Mike Manila
platform.
saying hop on the stream with them right now to talk some GME.
Faluna,
Okay,
what did
by
you do?
By the way, can you see that? Can you read this comment that we didn't publish, but I'm going to publish it?
No, I
Dark
saw
Knight
it, man.
Anime,
Yeah,
man.
yeah.
He wrote Jason, fuck off.
Spencer, let's get the chart up.
Yeah, yeah. It was at
Faluna, what did you do?
okay, right here. I'm gonna
Ryan
pull it
did
up
something.
right
We're
here. It was
going
at
down.
233.
Wait a minute.
I
We're
muted
going down.
myself, but I sneezed and it knocked the price off.
Did you sell, Ryan?
No, I sneezed, man. It knocked the price right off.
I thought you said it was
What
at
did you do,
40 at
Ryan?
that time.
Oh God! Breaking news! Breaking news!
Wait a minute. I have a news thing.
Oh my God!
What do you got?
You guys ready for it?
Yeah.
It's not what you're not gonna love it.
Yeah, we're ready. Just say it.
I'm not saying it. I'm a shower, not a grower. Okay. What? I'm just,
That's done. Headset tossed.
you
The
guys see
screen
the
turned
screen?
off.
It was like a $78.
What was that? What does that say?
Travis says ask Casey.
We'll spotlight you.
I'm working out right now. Too sweaty to come on. Oh my. Oh my.
That's good.
But I'll write back.
That
But-
was good. That was
but
good.
I'm
breaking news.
gonna write back. But,
'Cause of
I
GME?
bet your hair looks good.
Actually,
good.
I'm impressed.
Hey, Raz is like the best schmoozer you'll ever meet in your life. He's like world class schmoozer.
Wait, who was that from, Raz? Was that from Luke?
No, it was from Vlad. Or Vlad.
Yo, I'll be
Oh,
right
that's
back.
working out.
Yeah, that was from Luke
I
Jacoby.
was reaching out to Lizard King. I'm getting Lizard King on. I'm trying to get him live right now.
Raz, give him a break. He was talking to Lizard King.
Was he? Because
Yeah.
that really pissed me off. Okay. I thought he was like making me.
He's sweaty because he doesn't know.
me and me and Aaron. He's sweaty because he doesn't know how he's gonna cover this volume. Okay. Yeah. Me and Aaron Bree had a heart to heart today.
That's good. 186, 187 now.
No, Mandela, Aaron Bree is a good guy, good communicator. No, not a good communicator. Good. I don't know what he's good. Okay. I just like him as a person. That's what I like him as a person. That's what I like.
Jesus, Yes,
Yeah.
we are.
Hey, sorry, Israel, but I'm really getting annoyed by this question. All right, I'm gonna
All
say
right, I'm
something.
downloading
Okay? I'm gonna
fucking
announce it,
Robinhood
and I
right
hope
now.
everyone
I'm
hears
gonna
it.
see if Robinhood works in Canada first.
Yeah,
Actually,
I'll get off the spotlight, Cambo, in 2 seconds. I'm off the screen. I'm a drama queen, no doubt about it. I agree. Like I'm totally a drama queen.
That's funny.
No, he's right. He called me out. He's right. I am a
keep going,
drama
sorry.
queen. All right, so put that feature.
oh, I
feature
went to
I love it.
download
Okay,
Weeble,
so are
and
you hiring
it's
remotely? Your
only
producers, live
supported
experience,
in the
I'm gonna
U.S.,
say
so I
this.
can only
New
do
rule at Benzinga.
a paper
We're
trading
based out of Detroit, Michigan. We live
account,
in
but
Detroit,
that's still
Michigan.
pretty cool to learn on too.
We're
But
not hiring. We're only
so
hiring remote.
I made
That's it.
a $1
So I'm
million
gonna put on our
paper
site only
trading
hiring
account
remote.
just to
All right,
fuck
we're like the
around
new
with and
37 signals. That's
see
it.
how
Call it a
much
day.
money I make
All right,
or
we're
lose
hiring remote. So no more
with
asking.
that.
Are you hiring remote? Like we're hiring remote. Okay. Thank you. Yes, we'd like you in our office, but just to make life
In
easy,
that
hiring
big
remote,
account.
but don't apply if you don't love to like take on the biggest companies in the world, because what we do is actually very, very,
Okay.
very, very hard.
Should
and
I do like
stressful.
a smaller
And trust
account
me,
so it
is. I
looks
went
better?
through
So it's not like a
days and
million
months
into,
and
so
years
it's
of
like more
crazy
realistic
anxiety
for
that you
noob.
can't. I mean, maybe you can believe, but like
Sweet.
it's not a place that is like a normal place
Beauty.
to work. That's all I would say. Okay,
So you
so just keep that in mind. It's not the average place. It's a place that you want challenges.
how long
Fun,
have
and
you
then
held these
change the
calls
game for
for?
investors. And we've changed the game for many people, and they make a lot of money because we built
Oh
tools
my
and content
god.
for them. But it's stressful and
See, I
it's
need to
all
get.
that and
I'm
doesn't
trying to
stop.
get
So
on
only apply
Robinhood
if you
right
want
now
that,
because I.
and we like to have fun too. So that's my speech. I'm done, Gambo. No more featuring my face because my face is a face for radio, as we all know. All right, peace and love. Peace and love. Keep it real.
So like, okay,
Yeah.
so if I had
How many people
Robinhood, would
here
I
are
be
working
getting
remote?
fucked
Aaron
on
Bry's out in
expiring
the
these
middle of the
calls or
country.
no?
Said no one wants to come to the office. I want to come to the office right now. I went to the office for a couple days. It's the coolest. Not even kidding. It's the coolest office building I've ever been in.
Somebody asked what our job site is. It's literally
Okay.
jobs.benzinga.com.
That makes
That's our
sense.
job site. Jobs.benzinga.com.
And if you do send a resume, it's fine. But
And
just
that'll
three
be
bullet points
that'd be a
of what you can do or why
$3,000
you're a badass.
all
Or
like
send us a sample.
investment like
Every
that
single
you went
person
in
from
with.
Hotch to they had samples and sent it.
That is
And
fucking
so
incredible.
we got to figure out marketing. We got
Congratulations,
to figure out how we're
buddy.
going to do that. So just give us 3 bullet
That's
points.
fucking big.
Oh God, Renato just gave me a gentle reminder because I forgot to do something. He's right. Oh my God, I forgot to do a lot of things. Yeah, it's
Hell
great
yeah.
people, but it's stressful.
So
It's all in your
Robinhood
mind.
in
So the
Canada.
guy called me a drama queen. Yeah, I freak out over like stuff spelled wrong because I remember my last name being spelled wrong. So when we make a mistake on our site, like yesterday, we had a company spelled wrong, and I went crazy because I was like, "That's insane." Oh, FanDuel was spelled wrong.
Damn,
so, like,
bro,
come on,
Canada
like,
is
we can't do
whack
that.
for
That's all.
trading. Dude.
Yeah, we're. It goes without saying that we're taking interns. I think that goes without saying.
Oh my God, I cannot believe Habitum Kanea wrote something nice to me. Appreciate what you do, Jason. Your shows are helpful in many ways.
Fuck,
Today, I
that'd be
think that was
killer.
tough
Make
on him.
sure
I
there's a
forget
big
what I
fucking
tough
space
about,
to grow
but
weed
that
in.
was. All right, I really got to log off. All right, so you got the Vlad update about the sweat. I'm gonna write him back to see if we can do tomorrow night. So we'll probably do Vlad tomorrow night around this time, around 5 o'clock. So if that, I mean, I'm just assuming he'll do it
Fuck yeah,
because
that'd be
he's
unreal.
that kind of guy. So we'll see.
All right, thanks a lot, Raz.
Thank you, man. Have a good night. And now you guys get to take over. Have fun, be nice, and kill him with kindness. Because Cambo already fucking destroyed me. I'm destroyed. I'm gonna tell my wife I'm a drama queen. She's gonna be like, whoever said that, Jason, I want to buy him
So
a gift
with
'cause she
that
would say the same thing.
$3,000.
I freak out, man, if I can't find my shoes. My shoes that I wear every day have been missing out for 2 days. Yeah, I'm pissed. Where are my shoes? I'm like so angry about it 'cause I love these shoes and they're missing.
Hell
for 2
yeah,
days.
I'm trying to
So,
I'm
yeah,
trying to
okay.
keep up with it. Like you guys
All
have
right,
all
thanks a
kind of
lot.
like
Hey,
it seems
what
like
is-
been like
wait,
channeling
wait,
it
what
all in for a
currency is
bit. So I
this?
kind of like
SEK. What
I feel like
currency
I
is
got
that?
in like right when you guys were just
God,
like
South
excelling
Korea.
to the next level, and I
That
gotta
was my
like
first
catch
guess
up
too.
to
I'm not sure.
keep
We
up what's going
accepted.
We
on.
accepted. Thank you. We don't know what this comes out to in US dollars, but
$3 or it could be $500.
It's gonna something. There's some USD
Fucking right, buddy.
transfer then, and we'll accept it.
So someone a few months ago donated like several hundred Nigerian. We have the Nigerian currency, and we were like, "Whoa!" They were like, "Oh, it's
The
way Nigerian."
Swedish krona, guys. We weren't even close.
Swedish
We
krona.
have to
Oh, yeah, buddy, I'm your
do
right hand man.
change
Let me
our
know what you
servers,
need.
YouTube do that automatically.
No, it's automatic.
All right, now that Jason has
How
left, let's
fucking
get the
high?
annual subscription going.
We
We're like 200 likes away.
No, No, annual.
Fuck
If you
yeah.
build some cool tool, or get 72,000 subscribers. But I got to say one thing for fair disclosure. They asked if Vlad said thank you for the invite. He did not. Okay, so I'm just letting you know if that gives you color. And I don't know what that means, but I'm just answering.
Right.
And the guy asked how much a year I'm making compensation. $100 billion. Okay. Peace
Oh
out.
yeah, man, that's
See you, Raz.
unreal.
Wait, is anyone on this stream on GameStop besides our boy? Yeah, besides all right. So besides Wall Street Bets, no one on this stream is actually long GameStop. Okay.
I actively told people that this was too risky for me and that I didn't want to.
Yeah, they don't ever join the lives,
just a few hours ago.
Ryan, you have to get yourself a YOLO account. You got to get one of those.
You know what? Here's the thing, Spence. When I first took a beating, when I first learned the ropes of trading, I was a YOLO trader, and some of my habits were poor. It slapped me around. It's not something that I try to go back for. I will say this though: this entire run and the initial run that this had.
Do you get
this
a lot
has
of
made me wanna dip
people
my toe
always
in.
coming back
Now,
for the
I haven't
reoccurring
today,
stuff? Or
but I gotta say, we keep seeing some stuff like this. Eventually, you gotta play. Man, you gotta play.
I don't know
Oh,
what
yeah,
you
that's
did.
awesome.
You might get some scraped up knees, but it might be a hell of a lot.
I don't know what you did, Ryan, but we are leaking here. GameStop is now down in the 170s.
Fuck
We
yeah.
are back to the 170s.
Yeah, so
guys.
I ended up getting
193, right? 192, and we're went down to 178 right now.
So to expire that call, can you sell it at any time, like after hours?
Yeah, every time you take off the chart, it
Or
dips,
after
and then you
seven?
put it back on, it starts going back up.
Wait, everyone just went backstage. What the hell just happened? I think Jason did that.
Jason really doesn't want to give out this annual right now.
Jason's messing with everyone.
Yep.
Jason just left me alone for a hot minute. It was us and
How did
JR.
you know it was me, by the way?
Because you have admin privileges on this.
Hell
stream.
yeah.
You can't
Oh,
do things
I
like
thought I pranked you guys.
And that would be
No,
times
no, you
100
didn't.
shares per contract.
I was
Fucking
text lift, so I don't know.
Text,
And
we
it
have
very easily
19
could
minutes
run up
left
higher
in the
tomorrow.
after-hours session. We are in crunch time now.
I own a
$80 times
boatload of
1,000,
AMC, so
80,000,
hopefully that goes well.
All right, let's look
800,000.
at that AMC chart. Pull that up.
Spencer, as long as we stay above
$80.
164.53 on GameStop in the after hours, we should be fine for tomorrow.
164.63.
164.53. That's
just
your
8,000.
236 fib level of this.
Oh, the Fibonacci. How could I have forgotten?
80,000.
How was that?
Yeah, sorry,
it's
I'm
my
a
cat,
little
man. Sorry.
here, man.
Just-
My
That's
bad.
that's what I said at
You
the
are-
start.
Too.
Wall Street
Yeah.
Bets is a
Yeah, you
cat guy?
confused
You are a
me.
Come on.
He
come
said
on,
80
put on
grand
that
and then you
AMC
didn't
ticker.
respond.
Put on
I'm
that
like,
AMC ticker. Put on that
Yeah, I
AMC
was
ticker,
like, I was
please.
like
come on,
80, and
I
you're
need
like,
to go.
no.
It's the
I was
longest
like
goodbye ever.
800. I was like,
This
did
is
I
called a
fucking
Jewish
miss this?
goodbye, not a Christian goodbye. You know, you guys probably think that's racist, but it's
Oh.
not.
No, Jason, I
Like,
said.
So that's what
my
each one is
my
worth when
grandma,
you sell
like,
it.
You know, in the Jewish household, they say bye, and then an hour and a half later, they're still saying bye.
Jason,
Okay?
I said the exact same thing earlier on the stream.
Oh,
But even for Jewish goodbye, your goodbyes are long.
There's a whole Curb Your Enthusiasm episode about it with Larry David.
Yeah.
It's the whole episode long.
Yes, 1073. I'm AMC. I
Holy
love AMC.
fuck.
Thank you. I love AMC. You know, I don't love it for like a company.
And
I like free trade.
were
Bought
these
bought it, kept buying.
were these like
All right,
short
I'm gonna
term
retire.
calls or
See
they
you
were
guys in
long
Hawaii
term?
next week. Peace.
We'll see you, Raz.
All right, see you in 5 seconds.
For the fifth
Oh
time.
shit! So you're just taking advantage and like getting rid of them as quick as possible because the going's good right now.
All right, 181. GameStop. Oh man. All right. Raz just signed off. All right, KOSS.
Oh, yeah.
That's also been a mover, right? Look at that. Look at that thing. Oh my god.
How about Nokia?
Wait a minute. Okay, we'll get there in a second. Oh my god. KOSS
Man,
is
I'm just gonna
30?
pull BMO up.
Holy moly, guys.
I'm gonna try and share my screen on the
Wait, what'd
options.
you say? What stock? Nokia?
Yeah, and okay.
Okay, and Nokia, remember, ADR, right? Trading actively overseas. This is not the primary market for Nokia. Keep that.
Yeah, that's nuts.
You got all at once. All
Yeah,
of
I
the,
would have to pay
highly shorted
every
stocks
time I
going. You got
make a
BlackBerry, Nokia.
Yeah, for sure. For sure.
Go.
The algos are all over this.
Yeah, that's nuts.
This is how.
Well, isn't there a way to get an address just by having like a return to sender mail sent out to someone in the
highs of day
States?
after a huge block print earlier today, and also now highs of the after hours here. So
didn't they sell they sold their commercial business, right? They sold the
They're-
commercial
Man,
they're-
yeah,
business to
Mike-
you wouldn't even want to know
Wi-Fi
the
business.
amount of. I'm a
Yeah,
gold
now
member.
they
I'm a
only
gold
do
star member
Wi-Fi for,
now
like,
because I've
private
fucking paid
areas.
them so
Yeah,
much
like
in
services
fucking
based. They also
transaction fees.
reshaped their balance sheet, which was one of the huge turnaround
Fucking
stories of Metal,
bastards.
why it took so long, but why it's actually holding. So
No,
despite
I'm pretty
being
sure like
on a
if you
short
do
list,
send a
they're actually
piece of
also
mail out
excellent
to the
and
states
they're
and
in
have
good
them
shape.
send
So
it back with their
the
address,
last time that
when
this
you
happened,
register
I
like
thought that this one was going to run,
like a phone
and in the
or
after hours
something like
overnight,
that, a
traded
phone,
at
or like you're trying to
32
get
and
internet
didn't
set
really
up,
run
you
after
can
that.
use that
So
piece
I
of
think
mail
it's
as your document.
still
Like my old boss used to do it so that he could get calls from different parts of the province.
a week ago. So it's an interesting play. We'll see what happens. Doesn't
But
have
I don't
Yeah,
know.
might work.
at AMC.
My uncle lives in fucking Pennsylvania, so I'll talk to
Pretty sure
him.
Aaron is backstage. Aaron, what are you smoking? It better not be anything bad.
Come on, I mean, you gotta calm
Man.
down. No, it's just a little disposable.
I'm
It's like a
supporting the
jewel thing, but
company
it's
too. I've already
disposable.
I contacted all my fucking vegetarian friends and I asked them if they've heard about it and
Kramer's throwing
got
some
some
shade on
information
GameStop. He's
on
saying it's a mockery.
like
Well,
what to look
I
for
mean,
and
Kramer's been off
fucking
the
see
air
what
now
they're
for
gonna
a
be
minute,
offering,
right?
see
Just so
like
he doesn't show air
if they're gonna end
but,
up being successful and
16. But yeah,
the
I was
fucking like
reading
if
what he was
he'll
saying
buy
while
it and
we were
shit.
on,
And I
he
was
was
like,
saying
fuck.
that
I was
the
like,
SEC needs to come out
that's crazy. He was like,
and
fucking holy shit,
like,
buddy.
talk
He's like,
sense
that's
into this
pretty
and
that's
get
pretty
figure out what's
crazy that
going
you
on
guys have a
because
CEO coming on. I was
see
like,
why
holy
he would
fuck,
say, let me
buddy.
pull up a chart. I see
You know,
why
this
he
is
would say
just the
that because
start.
this is totally
Because his
crazy.
friends are losing money. Yeah, the 1%.
Wait a second, I'm getting health advice from a guy whose screen name is
Oh
Darkest.
yeah. Good old Vancouver, man. Yeah, it's a beautiful place
I
out there
I
too.
can't even argue with you because you're right. But I just had to put that.
Look, I mean, Kramer's point is that for everyone asking why is GameStop up, we have no idea, absolutely no idea why GameStop
Oh yeah.
is up.
All right, sure thing.
No clue.
Melvin knows.
Yeah, I'll see anybody that's online right now.
Maybe there is someone somewhere that knows. But
I'm just taking a look now. It's not the share your no.
late in the day and
Invite.
it caught social media and it caught wind. Remember, in the after-hour session, the bid and the ask spreads out.
Oh, I got
So
it right
if
here.
this move
Just down in
happens
the
and
bottom
reopen
left.
tomorrow, that's when the real fireworks are going to happen.
No, yeah, but Ryan, the craziness started at like 3:30, right? So it started before the close. We got like several volatility halted into the close. They resume it at 4 o'clock and 12 seconds. They resume trading. And we've been open all since then.
So let the conspiracy theories fly, my friend.
I don't think they halt stocks after hours. That would be silly. I think if they did that.
Well, I mean, the other thing is if you look at the chart, even that trading view chart, if you turn your volume sticks on at the bottom, you can see that despite having a lot of volume, it's still nothing compared to what we were seeing before the close. So, I mean,
I'm just sending
it's not going to
people
move
a
around.
link.
So you can see it. It's the magnitude of the
Yeah,
movement in the after hour sessions are huge compared to what
They're
people
massive
have during the day.
They're massive because there's no market, right? You cannot place a market order after hours. You can only place a limit order. You got to lean on the bid or the ask.
There you go.
Yo, Frank, you
And
hear me?
so
What's up, buddy?
Yeah, I wanna fucking when he gets back, I wanna ask him if there's anything I can do. Like I don't have any money in a trading account, right? Or like in a crypto account, so like I don't really know what I have to offer.
Man, exactly what he was just telling me. Start your Webull account and follow. Make a like a challenge account on the Webull and just follow every alert that gets posted on the group and just show how much money it can make in the like just using the alerts that we call.
There will be degrees of fireworks, but 9:30.
Or, like, and just like even just I'm pretty sure on that app you can trade Bitcoin and stuff too. So like you can do crypto calls and everything, dude.
Weren't you just saying that you couldn't get Weeble in Canada though?
Only the paper trading, but that way you can still do it with however much money you want to start with. And then you can just use the like it'll still show you all your gains and all your transactions and everything, so you can use that as like a teaching tool almost, right?
If y'all
Okay.
into cannabis,
You know what? You should come over tomorrow and bring your laptop, and you should show me a little more.
Yeah, I'll try to definitely.
Yeah, try
You,
to. That
you
way
should
I
try
can-
and jump in. You should try and jump in every morning, man, because there's the morning chat here, and it teaches you like a lot about
We have a 2-day
just like what's going
virtual
on in the market the
cannabis
day
event.
before and what's
We got
potentially
32
going to be
other
coming in, what's
companies
kind of news has
speaking at
been
our event.
popping up over the
Pure
last
Leaf,
couple hours,
Green
like what
Thumb,
happened in
True
the
Leaf,
market,
Canopy
the
Growth.
pre-market.
So that'll be free to you guys.
And then just like because that's when
It's
everyone's
real,
most
it's 3
active
a.m.
too, like right in the morning, checking their accounts and
Thank you.
seeing what
We
they're
got
gonna
people
kind of
all
do
over
for the
the
day,
world.
right?
Shout out,
Mhm.
we got Middle
And
East in the chat.
then you can just kind of
Where
like
else are there
set
people
all
from the
those
chat?
Yeah,
pretty
tell
much
us
like
where you're from.
preset them all to
Tell us where you're
set
from, guys.
buys for you.
Because we're all from
Yeah.
Need to go to bed but can't stop watching.
Like this video real fast. I want to give away this free
Romania.
Yeah, no, try to make your way in
Romania,
for sure, and maybe go over here more with me.
Yeah,
Jason
well, I'll
left the
definitely. I want to go
office,
snowboarding
Spencer.
tomorrow,
Jason
so
got-
I'll definitely try and come into town, buddy.
Jason is not in the office anymore.
By the way, Jason called me drama queen too, so don't take
Hey,
that.
Kaylor,
as
did
bad
you
thing.
did you catch any of that?
You just got to push through.
Estonia.
Buns was just
Mississippi,
asking if there's
Africa,
anything he
Africa.
can do
Calgary,
to help the group
Mississippi.
out.
Let's go.
Can you be a little
Yeah,
more
yeah, I was
specific on
saying.
Africa? It's a little.
Someone lives at the
Yeah, I
moon.
was
They
gonna
must
wait
have
until you
GameStop.
I bet they do. I bet they're rolling strong.
Tejas, XII. Joe, how we doing?
10 minutes. 10 minutes left. How to win a free subscription to Benzinga Pro? The link that's pinned in chat goes to a form. Predict the price that GameStop will open at 9:30. If whoever's closest gets a free trial for 1 year, if you get it on the nose to the penny, you get a free lifetime.
There's over 1,500 people.
Okay,
in
well,
this right now.
Frank's
Presses
a
the
close
like
friend
button
of
on
mine.
this
He
video.
lives nearby.
1,500
I think if he comes over tomorrow and we kind of go over what would be like my strong suit, I could bring that to the table because right now I'm very new to trading and cryptocurrency. Like I'm new to it all, but
$404 price. That is going to go up pretty soon as we're
Yeah.
adding more features. You can lock into that rate, get a free year. Let's go.
All right, I'm watching. We're at 1,000 point. We're at 1,400 likes.
Oh, it's coming. It's coming.
I'm ready. I'm ready to see this.
yeah,
free
I'll
content.
help.
I'm
Like
watching.
right now, I'm not working. I'm just sitting here with a laptop, and I can, you know, I got all the time in the world.
In GameStop, guys.
St. Louis. Hey, I'm in St. Louis too. Shout out Grenovidia official. I don't know how you said that name.
Well, I'm sitting here looking for someone to fucking put me to work, and you know, that being said,
All right. Iceland. I saw
Oh, yeah.
I saw a few more. Yeah, Peter, you're right. Tomorrow will be extremely interesting.
All right, the comments are flying, but we're not at 1,500 yet, so we need those
He
likes
kills
right
it,
when we
man.
hit 1,500. We're announcing. Oh, we hit it. The annual. It's going. Oh wow, this is way too fast.
Come on, AB. Come on, AB.
Braden Lowe commented moon. First one I saw, Braden Lowe. Let me try to. Oh, I gotta go back to StreamYard to put it.
Yeah.
You're not gonna find it. Oh, now I'm seeing people put moon in there.
Everyone just comment moon. Mess with them.
Philly.
Oh, I found it. Look right here. Braden Lowe, this guy. You got to email us, powerhour@benzinga.com. We'll confirm it's you, and we'll get that going, Weiss. Is that right?
Wait a minute. There's someone in chat that says they're from the same place, like the same town that I live in. That's weird. And I live in a small town.
Spencer, it's your mother, dude.
No, my parents are not in Michigan. Okay. It is 7:53. We are down to the 170s in GameStop. We have 7 minutes left in the after hours session. Maybe you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna text Dennis right now and see if he wants to hop on for just a second after the close, after 8 p.m.
I think I saw Jim Cramer commenting there. Maybe he wants a little trial.
Really?
Yeah.
Ryan, what is your favorite part about Benzinga Pro?
My favorite part about Benzinga Pro.
Ryan was a Benzinga
Yes.
Pro user for many years.
Yep.
Reached out like any of you guys can, and is now the head of our support team and is one of our favorite Benzinga employees. So it could be one of you guys, but Ryan has known Benzinga from the inside, the outside, the up, down. So take it away, Ryan.
Yeah, and like I've never been taught previously, so there's no conflicts from being taught by someone else. I'm a sponge right now.
I became a subscriber was because of the swap. Being able to have someone that knows what they're looking at read you breaking news from all these different wires and places as it happens was the most valuable thing in the world to me. especially around earnings reports. Just
Like
any type of news announcements,
I feel
that really
dumb.
changed
Like a
things
lot of
for
the
me.
times I would put my
Prior to
my
that, we
mic
were
on
in
mute
chat
and I'd
rooms
just
where
listen because I
it
knew
was
I didn't have
a place
anything
for
to
those, but
contribute, and
there
I
was
was writing my
definitely a
notes,
place
trying to
for
learn what I
actual news
could, and then
writing.
when
And
Frank would
Charlie
come over the
does our
next
scrub.
day,
He's the absolute
we'd
best
discuss it more
in the
together.
business. It's not even really close. So
Just because
that's
a lot of the words you're
but I still
using and a
love
lot of the
others, though.
terms and like it's just way too fast for me because I'm so new to this.
So it's really just a great package. The amount of things that it gives you is really incredible. So
Braden, the email. Sorry, Braden was asking
Mhm.
us the email again.
Yeah.
powerhour@benzinga.com.
Our squawker, Charlie, has been in the game for decades.
Exactly.
There are not many people I think that are better connected than him. He's got sources like out the ass.
yeah, literally
Yeah.
everywhere in the world. It's incredible.
Yeah, no harm, no foul.
He knows, like he knows everything. Whenever we ask like, hey, what's going on, he knows. He just always knows. He's a machine. He doesn't take days off. It's insane. The guy works like 5 a.m. to like 6 p.m. like every day with like an hour break in between. It's
So the funny story. I'm gonna give you a little just candid story about
Yeah.
Charlie.
Yeah.
He took some time off, which he has more than earned. Took a couple of days off, and there were people that wrote in that said, "Look, I heard rumors that Charlie is going somewhere else." And I mean, I talk to Charlie on a regular basis. I knew that wasn't true. But when he came back, I asked him, I said, Charlie, I got this message that said there were rumors
Wow.
that you're going somewhere. Is that true? And his response was just so Charlie. He said to me, and I quote, "I'll die in this chair." That was what he said. That was his response.
That's
So
classic.
yeah, don't worry about that. He's got this. He loves this. That's the thing
Yeah.
about Benzinga. We have people that love this. That's why we can do stuff like this. One of our employees has his hair dyed blonde. I mean,
And everyone, just real quick,
Yeah.
everyone should, go to pro.benzinga.com. It's a free, no credit card required. It's not like we're going to trick you and charge you after your trial's over. We'll just cancel on its own.
Yeah.
Go to pro.benzinga.com. Even
Yeah,
if
like
you really
the
don't
old-
understand this
yeah,
or
the
don't
old,
understand how to use
arrows
it, that's what
or
Ryan's here for. That's what we have support people that help people throughout their trial, that get them set up, make sure we have daily webinars, we have daily tutorials, we have a full help site with a bunch of information. We've helped people that this is their first time
Wow,
trading to
where was
now
that?
kind of
Where are
making
you
a lot of
from?
money with it. So it's kind of what we're here for. So this is exactly what we want. So if you're new to the game, we have people that have just
Wow,
started
man, that's
trading.
fucking good for you. From 13 up.
And we have people that have been trading for 50 years that are just chat users that help each other out. So it's a real great community. We're doing content like this all the time. So welcome to the community.
We got boomers, we got YOLO traders, we got people with diamond hands, people with paper hands. We got it all. All right.
Yeah.
3 minutes, guys. 2.5 minutes, actually.
Remember, we just got to stay above 164.53.
I think
Oh, yeah.
I think we're safe. I think that level's safe for now.
Well, that's the thing. I mean, if we hang above that, I would look for this to have some more trade and action in the morning. I think this is going to be. You might get trades on both sides of this tomorrow. So
You might. I think you will.
Yeah. You might get some real good setups on
You can almost guarantee that there will be people buying and selling GameStop tomorrow.
Thanks.
I was
hot,
trying to
hot
go
take
deep
from
there.
Aaron Bree. Hot take right there.
I can't guess the price, but it'll either be higher or lower than what it's at.
No, Aaron, that's not necessarily true.
It could be exactly where it's
That's
at.
not necessarily true because if Robinhood limits buying, then there will be no buyers on Robinhood. There will be just sellers.
But there are other brokers.
I know. Come on.
A lot of
There we
people
go.
have
We're getting a little bit of a push into this close.
Robinhood's the only broker. Yeah, that's all Vlad had to say last night when Portnoy was like, "Hey, why don't you restrict selling?" Dude, we're not the only broker. There are other. We don't control the market. We are but one player. Anyway, okay. 1 minute.
Oh
1
yeah.
minute left.
Just
All
wait
those
for Elon to
videos
tweet
posted
about
were
this.
on Facebook,
He's
right?
holding himself. He wants to tweet.
Papa Elon, Papa Musk.
Papa Elon, Papa Shamath.
Rodrigo, hit us with a little dance.
Yeah. Wait.
Rodrigo, hit us with a little dance to close the market.
Hit us with a dance.
Little paper hands.
There you go. There you go.
Holy fuck,
There you
I've
go.
learned tons already.
If I
I had music to play it, but I don't. Wait, Aaron, what'd you say?
Yeah,
I was asking if y'all
seriously.
were if you were hanging out past 8 Eastern if you're hopping off.
No, I'm gonna end this stream, guys. I have to go home. Okay, come on.
Yeah.
It's 8 o'clock. I've been here. I've been here since 7 a.m.
We got good news though. We're doing this again tomorrow.
Oh
Yep.
yeah.
This is the second day in a row I've been here for 13 hours. Okay.
The sushi I ordered is getting cold.
Well, when we do end the stream, we have a show starting up that I'm going to be on, a Benzinga after
Yeah,
after
definitely
hours,
have.
after party show. We'll post a link in there if y'all want to hang out.
All right. We are 3, 2, 1, 169.69. Please get there. All right, guys, we're done. 169. Oh no, there are a couple late trades.
I was gonna say you can't even make that up.
There are a couple late trades. All right, 168. God damn it.
Yeah,
So
dude.
perfect.
You got so excited. That was awesome.
That would have been so perfect. No,
idea.
168. Final score, everyone.
And
168.
he just
is
he just
your
loves to teach too.
February 24th after hours close. All right, we made it, guys.
Do we have an after hours segment, Bri?
Girls.
Yep, I put the link in there. We've got a comedian coming on, H. Foley, coming on after party. We're doing a market after party.
Why don't we just keep the stream going?
I think it's a.
Oh yeah.
Is there?
Yeah, I want to help you
Yeah,
get there,
Well,
man.
yeah, let's do that.
Yeah, let's keep it. All right, so
Get your comedian in the stream. We're going all night.
All right.
I'm gonna get my sushi and come back.
all right, Bree, I'm gonna hop off. Can I trust you to end
Well,
to run the show?
Give everyone this new link now. All right, hold up.
Okay. All right,
Bri
I'll
had
hang.
ours.
All right, what Ryan wants to leave Faluna.
Yeah, I'm heading out for the night.
It's been a pleasure.
No.
Yeah.
Just kidding. Have a good night.
Wait, hang out for 5 seconds. Hang out for 5 seconds for me while I get these new links out.
You guys.
Yeah. Are they gonna do it because they want to or because they have to?
Who just did?
Hell yeah.
Where's everyone going?
Bri's sending the links out. We got the guy cleaning the office behind you, Spence.
Wait, really?
Yeah, that's how long you've been.
Yeah.
I've been here for way too long.
Hey, shout out to him, man. Shout out.
What's up, man? How we
Spence, give a
doing?
quick video. Can you give a video of the office? Can you do that for the people as we wait for the after hour party?
Team Elite.
Try. I don't know if this will work.
Ain't nothing to fuck with.
That merch is sweet too, by the way. Frank showed me that. I seen it on his Instagram.
So, normally, this is where the news desk sits, right in that corner. They're not there.
We both golf lots, so that long sleeve. Oh, right on.
My computer's in the way.
Yeah, if we come out to the States, we're definitely going for a good old round of whack and fuck.
Oh, absolutely.
All right, producer Aaron, can I trust you to?
Sick.
I don't think he's here. I think he's giving the invite to the other people. Oh, there he is.
I'm here. I'm on the phone with Ryan right now. I'm telling him.
Oh, fucking right.
The course is there, super nice too. In the
Yeah,
States.
different Ryan,
Yeah.
dude.
No, Ryan Rosbiani, he's here.
Ryan, what's up, man?
Hey, man, I'm gonna hang up.
I'm on the phone with you too.
No, maybe that's my fault for not saying Ryan. I saw you there. I didn't realize.
We're gonna do
What's going
a
on,
last
Mars?
minute audible. I got you. I just emailed you a new link to this one, or maybe
I
just sent you
think
the wrong
I
one.
invited him. I just
No, he's talking to someone else right now.
met
No,
him
I was talking to
through
Ryan,
one of the
because we have this
groups,
link set up for the other show, but I'm saying
or
bring
TikTok
Foley
or
on this one, so we
Instagram.
already have
So
1,000
I'm gonna
viewers.
send
I've had
this
so
link
many
as well.
people been hitting me up. I've
exactly.
lost track of it.
All right, give me 1 second.
Alright, I'm heading out. I'll be back.
Hey man.
All right, see ya.
I was watching that live stream.
Okay.
Give me 1 second. I'm just gonna text him that I sent him a new link.
Yeah. And then those YouTube links that we tweeted out and stuff, we'll need to tweet out this YouTube link instead. Then we should be good.
Dude,
Can you send me that
oh my
YouTube
God.
link? Because I don't have it.
Hell yeah.
Yeah, here.
Yeah.
We'll get to the YouTube link.
You just pretty much gonna just exercise those calls
Dude,
tomorrow
who is
and
this
then call it a
trucking
day.
ace, this bot who puts this in chat every single day? Fixed newsfeed desktop notifications. Who are you? You put that in chat like 10 times a day. That's all you say. What is this freaking bot? All right, I'm done.
All right, Spencer, you're good to hop off. Can you update the thumbnail and stuff for me? I'll send it to you right now.
Yeah, I got you. All right, everyone, it's been fun. We've been streaming. I've been streaming since 5 p.m. Eastern. That's 3 hours. I'm gonna hop off though. I'm gonna let Aaron and Ryan run with this, and of course Wall Street Bets. I'll see you guys.
Do you set?
What's up? What's up, Ryan? How we doing?
I'm doing well. How are you guys? Is my audio coming through clear?
Yes, sir. So for those of our viewers that are still with us, this is a new show we're doing. It's an after party. We got Ryan here. Ryan's a great trader. He does. Would you consider yourself mostly a technical trader, Ryan?
Technical trader, but I do follow the trends of
Oh yeah.
the kind of the whole market where
Elite
they're going.
Trading
Find the technical
1298
trend,
on
find where
Facebook,
the
eh?
hot sectors are, and play those trends and run with that essentially. But I do respect the technicals a lot when it comes to a play. So if it's like up 90%, I'm not going to jump into that. That's a little foolish there for me personally.
What are your thoughts on GameStop, Ryan?
GameStop is a wild card that's going on right now. I like the movement a lot. I like what's going on here. What's happening now is out of the blue, but so this is what I had a weird feeling something like this would happen last night when Portnoy had the interview with Vlad. He kind of called him out and saying, "Oh no, we're ready for another. If this happens again, we're ready for it. It's going to happen. We're cool.
Yeah,
We won't shut
definitely.
down trading." So to me, that felt like a kind of a call to action. I told a few people, I was like, "We should probably get ready for GameStop Part 2." And I don't know if I tweeted or not, but so to me, it's weird, but I mean, I'm for it personally. I don't have the heart to play it right here because it's a riskier play, especially now that it's up to like 168. I did see it climbing when the whole thing first started. A few
Yo,
people texted me.
hit
I could
are
have
you in
gotten in
charge
at
of the
90, but
Facebook?
then it just personally wasn't for me. I respect it, but I personally I can't touch it here.
Yeah.
But AMC on the other hand, I've been working with my team. We saw that a few days ago. We saw just purely, just like you mentioned, based off of technical analysis and the news with them opening up again in New York City. That one ramping up. I respect that one a lot too. That one ramping up makes sense. We saw the MACD curling on the daily chart,
Word, yeah,
and a few members got
I
into
just
that
joined,
and
but
played
it's
it today
just
and got
saying it's
out before
waiting on
canceling and made some
a
quick
request.
profits. We even had a few people day trade on GameStop, and one guy made like $10,000, $9,000, something like that, just in and out. I do think that this is
Yeah, the
my point of
private
view on
group.
GameStop overall long. Look, I don't think the stores are going anywhere, especially with the new partnership that they did with Microsoft, with the game renting, which is something very smart.
Word, yeah, I said
Back in my
hell
day,
yeah, and then I thought
there
I
was a
put the
lot of game
wrong
rental
answer in,
places
so
because,
I
of
just
course,
I
games
did
are
it
still
again. I said
always relatively expensive
no
for
for
anyone at any
the
time period,
question.
especially
Are you
the
new to
way that I grew
trading?
up. But
I just
I
figured
think
I'd
long
put hell
term
yeah as a
GameStop
joke, but
has a hard road ahead. But if they execute this, they have a bright future. The stock is quite expensive
yeah,
right
that
now
makes
because, like, for
sense. Yeah,
example,
I sent
if you
another
look
one
at
with a
what's going on
proper
here with
answer.
a lot of other stocks like
Says
that are in
it's
the
in
same field, like for example,
being requested.
stores like Macy's, Bed Bath and Beyond, stuff like that. Sure, market caps are a little bit different.
So that's
But
the
with
OG
GameStop,
right
I
there.
think that if they figure themselves out, they could be a good company. And this
Yeah.
new guy, Ryan Cohen, he seems like a smart fella, and he's and the retail traders like him. And there's people underestimate the amount
No
of money
more
retail
secrets
traders
now,
make.
Frank.
I mean, I
Yeah,
talked to a lot
my
of them,
name's
and
out.
you'd be surprised how many millionaires you're tweeting along with on Twitter, where you never expect the guy with the
No, I think
like
I
dog
follow you on
emoji avatar
Instagram,
is a
don't I?
millionaire.
Yeah, so I have a little theory on
Because
why
you got like
GameStop is
3
just
or
not
4
gonna
of
go
the
down. So I'm a gamer myself. I've been
3 or
playing Call
4
of
of
Duty, all this
the
stuff for a while with
Instagram
PlayStation.
accounts. You got like
So
Kaler's
I've had the
trading
option
and
to buy some video games online through the PlayStation Store and download them to my PS4. Here's the problem: these games use a lot of your memory on the PlayStation. The memory is limited, and every time there's an
what have
update,
you been trading
just
this
like your
week,
Mac,
Mars?
it uses more space, and you don't even know what the hell you're getting. So I got to the point where I downloaded a few games on my
Forgot what I said my
PlayStation.
push to talk to.
Barely any memory
Nothing
left.
really. Literally
So
just got
my
into
theory is
stocks
that
last week.
because of this,
Nice,
people
man.
will eventually have to
Did
go
you
and
did you
buy
end
the
up
actual
buying any,
disc
or are you just
instead
watching
of
stuff right now?
downloading it online. But even
Bought a
so,
couple Canadian
aside,
stocks, just long-term
GameStop
holds.
has
Nothing,
a pretty
nothing going
considerable
crazy.
increase in
Good
online
stuff.
sales. The online sales of the
Yeah.
discs. I don't think that's ever gonna go away.
At the moment,
Because
nothing.
it's just simple.
On
I'm not
EI.
gonna keep buying a new PlayStation every year.
Yeah, got laid off because everything's
just a
so
wild
slow with
theory
the whole
as a gamer,
coronavirus
somebody
stuff.
that's
But
playing.
went to school for
That's
electrical engineering
funny that
technologist,
they're
specialized
mulching your
in
bets, my
alternative
lad.
energy systems.
I
Spent
used to,
7
I've been
years
playing
doing
Call of
software
Duty too, like
testing
all
for
through
the
quarantine when COVID hit. I
casino
don't know if you're
industry,
playing Warzone or
and
what,
currently
but
working
I've been
as
doing
a
that
small
for
engine technician.
me and a lot of my buddies. I
Hell
actually
yeah.
just yesterday, literally, it's so funny you say this. Just yesterday, got from Amazon a external hard drive for my PS4 that I've got plugged in now. So it added 2 terabytes of data. The only bad part about this is apparently I was like reading all the threads on Reddit for getting the
That's
external
pretty
hard
right.
drive, configuring it to your PS4 and stuff. They're basically saying I can never unplug it. Like now the PS4 is operating basically on a higher storage because it's got like that 2 TB, so it's supposed to speed up the whole thing. But I can never unplug it. I can never unplug that external hard drive.
Yeah, while it's on, you can't. It's essentially part of your. It's like an extension to your system
Oh
now
yeah.
because there's so many files that are now
Yeah, I
going.
can
Especially if you're playing
send
that game actively, there's so many files that are going from your Xbox. Oh, you said PS5,
to the
right? Or
top.
I have a
PS4?
PS4. Yeah, I have the
Your
PS4.
PS4 is
Slim.
essentially like it's like a new arm to that. But just back to Wall Street Bets' point, the thing with the disc
It's
is though
always
the disc
adapting.
even
That's
now
the
when you
key
plug
is
in
you
the
gotta
disc, it's
always
still going to
adapt.
download a lot of stuff from the actual servers into your PS4. The disc actually now, from my understanding of it, I mean I'm not a big gamer. You definitely know more than I do. But the disc acts like kind of like the old school keys that we used to have to get for software to be able to unlock the actual stuff and features and all the DSPs and all that stuff. So I don't know. I mean, for GameStop, the angle that I like for them is, in my personal opinion, I think they should close all their stores. They should go fully online, and they should focus not just on the video game stuff, but one aspect of the store which actually makes them a decent amount of money is their whole collectible sales, like the whole Pop Funkos, the Pokemon cards, all that stuff. They should focus on that because they actually have a great shipping services and what they do. It's quite fast shipping from the amount of reading that I've done on them. They should focus on that as well as the video games and the actual hard selling of hardware and move slowly into that and move towards online because the brick and mortar stores, some of them will last like your Costco's, your BJ's, your Sam's Club, but the rent on these properties is insane. So like when I was in school in Brooklyn, we had two GameStops literally 3 blocks away from each other, and they finally closed one right before I graduated. So for essentially for 7 years that I was there through undergrad and grad school, you had two GameStops that were competing against each other to who's going to go to which one to buy the same games. So essentially, from that point of
What are
view,
we talking about here?
what I'd like them to do is model
Oh,
what
just
Bed
like
Bath and Beyond did. So what Bed Bath and Beyond did was they looked into their stores and they said, okay, we'll only have a store within every 25 or 35-mile radius. We'll close down our excessive stores and we'll start getting some money on the book. So like it makes sense that the CFO stepped down because when your stock price was upwards of $300, why didn't you do an offering? That was a no-brainer that everyone was screaming like you need to do an offering. Every organization will always need cash, especially one that's in brick and mortar. They should have done an offering, should have raked in a few $1 million there. If not, I would have
oh yeah.
even gone
It's a
out
ripple
wild and
effect.
done a $100 million offering right there, raked in that money and taken advantage of it because everyone knew that at a certain point this stock would come down. Why not initiate a natural downward trend for the stock with an offering and then allow it to recover?
Oh yeah.
Because the highs that we're seeing today, it's awesome. I mean, I'm all for it, but I just feel like if they don't raise the money that they need, they will continuously go downward within their company. And at the end of the day, to us, it's a stock. We're having fun with it. Wall Street's Bets is having fun. Everyone's
Nice.
talking about it on Reddit.
Tell me this though,
I
Taylor. What do
do
you shoot on an
behind
18
this
hole
is a
round of
company with
golf?
employees and people that need to survive. And to me, I
All
really
right,
want them to
perfect.
make it through because I'm rooting for them because they're employees. So I hope that they're able to execute this effectively and use this momentum that they're getting now in this season to make some money and kind of go and give the company a future.
Do you have Ryan? Do you have the Benzinga Pro ready to pull up?
The
With
Canadian
the
rule is
charts?
you get to
I
deduct
Let's
do.
look
every
at some.
beer you drink
I know
off
we
your
want to look at
scorecard.
GameStop real quick. We also want to look at
Sure.
AMC. Also, I'm seeing Brian. I see you in the comments talking about the hardware. I do need help with it. Please email
Oh yeah.
powerhour@benzinga.com. It goes to me.
I've never played a game of
with
golf.
some tips on how to configure that.
Yeah.
So
If
I have a
you're part
structure set. I think you just have to accept it so it comes into your portal.
Yep.
for
So we're looking at
All right.
GameStop right now. What is that like
yeah,
a
I love golfing,
15
man.
minute
Give me
chart? What are we
one
looking at?
Such a fucking fun
second.
game.
So this is the 1 minute chart actually. So like literally it's
wow.
where so we can kind of map out where it started picking up. So around 2 p.m.
Maybe
today,
I gotta
we
pull
kind
up
of
my
started seeing
screen
these
here and
bigger
try.
and bigger green candles
I
picking
want
up.
to try and see
And
if you
then
can
around
figure out
4:30
this
was when we had like this
BMO fucking
huge
options trading
upward
thing.
movement where it essentially kind of touched about
I'm
$200
just going
for like
back
a
to my
second,
computer.
and then it came
Just
down
give me one
naturally,
second. I
and
was
then it
Yeah, I
just
can
mellowed
see
out.
it.
bowl.
I am still newer to the Benzinga platform, so yes, we
Yeah,
are
sorry,
trading
man. I'm
after.
just
This
messaging
is a
somebody
beautiful
about a
series of
cell
green
phone
candles that have formed.
on
I do
Kijiji
hope the
here.
momentum continues into tomorrow for the traders that got in,
Okay.
especially in these highs. So someone did buy this stock at
Sorry.
$200, so that's one thing to
Well,
we are
man,
the and you have
somehow
this
when I
kind of this
clicked,
upward
I
momentum
clicked the
forming. It is on a
Canadian
1 minute
flag,
chart, so I personally
and
wouldn't trust it to be able to be like, okay, oh, we have this upward trend going, we should buy here and it'll keep going.
giving it a bit of
But
support yourself, eh?
I think that if you're in this play, have fun with it and watch it before you enter, because one thing is a lot of people play a lot of these stocks that
Oh,
are
you betcha.
upwards now that are really up. They're like, okay, let me throw in $1,000 and hopefully this continues and goes back to 200. And this stock could easily go back to 200 because one thing we have to recall is this big momentum shift that did start happening in the after hours, where the biggest people that play this stock, the Robin Hooders, were locked out after 6 p.m. So you have 2 hours where you have a huge chunk of volume, potential volume, that never came in. Plus Reddit was down and all those other factors. So I think that tomorrow we could.
Just pulling my
Go ahead.
laptop up
Sorry.
again.
What a coincidence! Reddit is down. What a coincidence.
Shit.
That was very very odd
Laptop
because
about
it was
that.
right as these candles were forming. Someone linked me something to Reddit to look at for a completely different stock, and I was like, Reddit's down. This doesn't make sense. And then you saw this going up. So,
Wait, Ryan, I'm
I
getting
mean,
some comments. This is the 30-minute chart, not the 1-minute chart, I believe.
I'm sorry. Here's the 1 minute chart. My apologies on that one. I think we were actually better off with the 30-minute chart.
Yeah, it gives us a good idea. I just want to make sure they know we know exactly
Sure.
what
Yeah.
we're looking
My
at.
apologies. I'm still getting used to this awesome new tool that you guys gave me. So sorry about that. Yes, this is the 30-minute chart. We're going off of Heikinashi candles, if I'm not mistaken.
Someone
So
said
I can
so
go back to.
sketch. I agree. That was pretty sketchy that Reddit kind of went down at the same time. You
Didn't
know,
it go down before or something like that? I mean, Citadel's got their hands in a lot of places.
They do. Are they still shorting this stock?
And those are just buy triggers that other people have set, and
What if
it's
they're
just kind
closing
of
it right
created a
now?
pattern,
Whether
eh?
that's people short. I'm sorry, covering or tons of
Right.
buying, or both.
Right. That could be that could ideally be what's happening here, because once you close a short or you're covering your short, like you were saying, you have to buy the stock back. So technically, you are getting volume coming in at that point. So that's a good point. But we have
What's
to give
going
credit
on,
where credit's
bro?
due. The retail investors did jump in on the train when it started moving.
How's it going
As
tonight,
is
broji?
also AMC. If it's cool with you guys, I'm gonna pull up the AMC chart real quick.
yeah, do it. Let's look at let's look at some charts.
AMC. Here we are.
I
AMC
agree.
on the
Someone said
30-minute chart.
people rush to Reddit to find the info, so it makes sense if it went down. I just don't know the timing on it. Like, did Reddit go down before GameStop started spiking, or GameStop started spiking and then Reddit went down when people rushed over to Wall Street Bets to get some info?
I don't know, but the spike, if you look here, it started here at 2:30 as well, just like GameStop, and rode up and closed pretty high. I mean, you did start forming a red candle on the close here, right as they're going out. But I mean, at this point, this thing hit a high of, what are we looking at? A high of 11:38, and we closed at, technically, if this counts as the after hour close again, still getting used to this tool at $11.10. Yeah, closed at $11.08. So
Something I did notice is that GameStop was halted and AMC was not halted. Only GameStop was halted, and it was longer than a normal halt. Longer
yeah,
than
so it was a very technical halt. So they halted it around 3:50 p.m. And as you folks know, the markets close officially before
Hell
after
yeah.
hours at 4 o'clock, and they
Yeah, I'll try and
unhalted
just
it right
keep it
after that.
open.
So essentially, most brokers for retailers, even Robinhood, lets you trade into 6 p.m. So I don't know why they would do that. But GameStop did get halted twice. One around, I think, 75 or 80, and then again at $90 was halted, and then after that it just kept going.
But the interesting
Oh,
point there
so
was
I
that
can share this
typically, like,
live that we're in right now, eh?
5 minutes, right? And then that one was for like 12 minutes. There was like an extended
Yeah, that's
window.
awesome.
Well, yeah. So halts work. So halts are interesting. You can have a 5-minute halt for volatility. There's also stocks that have been halted for weeks, if not months, for volatility. There was a company over the summer that was partnering with Tesla
Right.
for minerals for their batteries that was halted almost
Yeah.
the whole summer because of volatility, because it spiked so hard that the breakers or whoever decided that they're going to keep this thing closed for, I think it was 6 weeks, if I'm not mistaken.
That's crazy. They never halted Nikola, which like literally pushing the truck down the hill. That was never halted. That's just hilarious. You know why? Probably because a lot of investment firms are, I guess, I mean, they kind of like Nikola. You know, like I see on CNBC, they're pumping Nikola. Like, why would you do this? Why
Right.
would you pump this trash? You know?
Right. That's a very very interesting thing that happens. same thing with CCIV. When that came coming down, I don't know if that was halted. I don't think it was halted that one either when the new valuation came in and that started dropping. And that one has a ton of institutional investors too. But yeah, Nikola is an enigma for me because they're such a marred company with so much bad press. Why are they trading so high? I mean, we can pull it up here. I mean,
I'm Mars's brother.
is
He
there
told me to
something
get in
out
here.
there that we don't know? Like, why is this
What's
a
going on,
$20
man?
stock? I don't understand that. I don't think I'll ever understand it with everything that happened when you have literally a huge PR nightmare
What's up,
at
T
that level.
Big
And
E?
I don't think they've ever made up for it. I know
What's
they
going
had some
on?
news that came
Big
out.
week for you, eh?
Realistically,
Monster.
with Diamond Hands that it's staying at such a higher level. This was higher than Fisker, which is a company that everyone loved for so long, and Fisker popped today. If we could talk about that for a second. I want to talk
Yes.
about this whole Apple Car thing. Have you guys been following that?
I know they were talking to Kia, right?
Yeah.
And they kind of
Yeah.
Kia, either Apple or Kia, like backed out on it. So
Yeah,
So first it
you
was
killed
Honda
it
was the
this
first
week.
rumor, and then Hyundai came
Before
out,
I
and then
met you
Kia
guys,
came out
I
on
was
top of it,
at
and they
negative,
both denied it. Their stocks came tumbling down. And today something started where they said
and now I'm
Fisker
at
is working with
1500,
a
which
company
isn't
called
bad for
Foxconn, which
what,
works
like
with
4
Apple to
months that I
design their
actually
second
started
version
getting
of the
serious.
car.
Hell yeah.
People took that as Fisker making the
Can you hear?
new car. Now look, I don't own any stock anymore in Fisker. I like the company. I like the car. I really like the Fisker CEO. I like him. Henrik is awesome. To me, just with the background I have with Apple is, if you look at their track records of the companies that they work with, for example, Beats Headphones was an established company that was producing headphones through Dr. Dre and that huge brand, and then Apple set out and worked with them, and then
I got
eventually
a lot
acquired them.
to catch up to do with Mickey's
Same thing with the
class, but
charging
yeah,
company that they're working with,
I'm
which I'm
trying to
blanking
learn
on right now.
everywhere I
Really,
can.
really famous charging company that makes the chargers. They
Blink, charge point.
no, not the car chargers. The actual battery chargers. For
plug.
like your phone.
Oh.
Anchor. There it is. Anchor. They're the ones who got like they used to be like the really expensive chargers. Now they're quite a lot more affordable. And then I think they haven't acquired them yet. So with me, this is the enigma that I'm revolving around. Yes, Fisker has a great track record and all that, but the Fisker automobile is not anywhere near ready. That doesn't come out till 2024, and I I don't know what's Apple's game plan here. Personally, I mean, if this was the Steve Jobs era of Apple,
Yep.
I would never ever imagine a car coming out for Apple, and I'm still hesitant on that rumor ever happening.
The thing is that, like, with the CEO from Fisker, I've looked a little bit of his resume, and I think he was pretty
Right.
much
Definitely.
heavily involved in the design for the luxury BMWs, and he also did some work with Tesla,
Big
even though he like
facts.
they tried to sue him because they said he stole their design, something like that.
Yeah.
That still doesn't take from him actually helping in the Tesla design. So he's got not so bad track record, to be
Definitely.
honest.
That's what I've been
I'm
doing,
a
and that's how
witness
The
of
I've been
that.
issue that he had, I think, in
successful
the
this
past
month.
was that
Everything
the
has just
battery
kept dropping
provider
and dropping and dropping, and I
went
just
bankrupt or something like that for Fisker, and that's why they had to discontinue it. And one bad thing after another, your reputation gets trashed a little bit.
Wait, Ryan, real quick,
Right.
do you need a second to make sure that like all your Patreon fans and everything have the right YouTube link? I know we kind of audibled here.
I sent them the link through the Discord, so I think they should have it. Let me just send them another
oh
link.
yeah, I'm super happy.
Well, for
I'm
any
gonna let it
viewers that
go a
might
little
be
bit
here,
more,
not
and then
really know what
probably
we're
take
doing
some
live
from
this
it.
late,
But
this is kind of we're doing we
Let's
extended our live
go.
stream to talk about all
do you
the
think
GameStop stuff, and we
1250?
got a mod straight from Wall Street Bets to join us. He's here, happy about that. But the whole point of this show, this after party show, is to kind of talk about how we as traders, relax in the market. Trading can be stressful. We look at charts all day, so we like to have a little bit of relaxing time too.
Little fun,
I'm
little fun.
thinking.
A little fun, yeah. And on
I'm
that note, let me see. It looks like we have our guest, our featured guest, H Foley. Let me see.
Yeah, that's
Are
what
you
I'm
ready?
on.
You give
I'm
me a
on
thumbs up if you're
shares,
ready?
so it's like I might as well just let them
Oh,
keep
he's
going.
ready. Let's bring him on. We're gonna have some fun tonight.
Perfect. Let me stop screen sharing. The big man.
Hello, gentlemen.
Foley.
Good to see you guys. Morpheus, pleasure to meet you, sir. Is this how you get into the Matrix? I don't know what
Yeah,
you
I
guys
bet.
are talking about.
Yeah, I sometimes I
What do
don't
you
either.
What do you think
But
about those
what's up? I'm
GameStop?
Aaron. This is Foley.
Aaron, how are you, buddy? Nice
I'm
to meet
good.
you.
I think when Ryan, so last week, for any of y'all that were here with us last week on our after party, we had Kevin Ryan on. He and Fully, you
I think
co-host
so, yeah.
the podcast with Kevin
Yeah,
Ryan, correct?
I
Yeah,
think so.
Kevin and I are the hosts of Are You Garbage?
Nice, nice. So can you tell our viewers a little bit about your background as a comedian? How did you get started in that?
I got started in Philadelphia in 2008. I was living up in New York. Wasn't really doing anything productive. Moved down to Philly, started doing stand up, and then it kind of took from there. And then moved back up here in 2013 with the whole gang, the whole Philly squad.
Yeah,
There you
that's
go.
not
There you
bad
go.
at all.
Yeah, and I don't know if this relates, but I had somebody
Flex.
tip me in Bitcoin when I was waiting
I was
tables.
just gonna bring that up. I was gonna bring that. So I
Big
remember an
flex.
old episode. So Foley was part originally. These guys had a podcast called Center City Comedy. Still one of the funniest podcasts to date, and I still hate the fact that they stopped it. But there was an episode where you got tipped in Bitcoin. Did you ever find that email? That thing is worth. You got like a few grand in Bitcoin sitting in an email account somewhere.
Dude, maybe you guys can help me out. I don't know, but here's the situation. I thought this
Monster
would
is
be
here.
relatable to the show. So I'm waiting tables back in
Monster.
2014 at this joint over in the West Village. This kid comes in. He's wearing like all black and
What's going
he
on,
has this
Monster?
T-shirt on.
What up? What up? What
It
up?
didn't say Bitcoin. It said some other company, and then it said Bitcoin on the back.
That's my
The
buddy
kid sits
Steve.
down. He eats. We
Remember?
Yeah,
start
I've
a
seen that
conversation,
name before.
blah,
Pete
blah,
three
blah.
sixty five.
He's like, I'm in town for like this Bitcoin
That's my old
convention, or he's working with a
Like-
company that's trying to do something with Bitcoin, blah, 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 blah. And then he's like, what's your email? Instead of
Read me
giving
well.
you a regular
Hear
tip,
me?
I'll tip you
Yeah, we can hear you.
in Bitcoin.
Got me.
So I'm like, yeah, whatever. So that was in an old Yahoo account that I had.
He might be
At a
having
certain
some mic
point,
issues.
I wanted to become a gentleman. I got myself a Gmail account, as one does. And I never messed with the Yahoo.
No.
Nah. Yeah, I turned on my screen too, so y'all can see my beautiful face.
Guys, hear me? What up?
Oh yeah, I've been learning all about just promoting social media, how to build designs, how to set everything up so that you can pretty much like put it out onto all platforms with one click of a button. Learning about MBAs and how to start doing marketing for channeling sales into like media companies and like making posts for them as well. Just lots of like really cool information that I never really would have got my hands on without this team here.
The thing I like to say is my paintbrush varies. I offer audio engineering. You know, I do all our music. I also do majority of our videos. But also my wife does photography and graphic design, so she actually created our merch that we have and everything, and she does website building as well. So you know, like I said, my paintbrush varies. My overall creator. Yeah, that that image behind me. I don't know if y'all see my screen, but that image behind me, I took that picture.
Hell yeah.
essentially. Facts. Show you the blueprint.
Nobody.
Fact. And if he need a kidney, you get him a kidney.
Oh yeah. To the moon.
Fact.
Hell yeah.
Saying something. And be nice to your kids. Mm-hmm. Facts.
We're reaching far ends of the world. Yeah.
Well, howdy, neighbor.
Oh, howdy, neighbor. Oh yeah. We're opportunists.
Can you guys hear me?
Yeah. What's up?
Hello.
What's up? What's up, guys? This is T Biggie turned me on to this, so I try to get on here as much as I can. I find myself wanting to get on more than I can because just a little bit of hanging out with guys, shooting the shit back and forth, and that little rant was actually something that's missing in this world.
Oh yeah.
Big facts. It's that
Having someone
connection,
back out, just having them return it as a favor, just as common morals and character, it doesn't happen anymore. You watch out for people, and T Biggie will attest to that. Learn, earn, and return. You try to teach these guys. You try to make them better so that they can provide for their families, succeed, and they'll step all over you to get over you. So.
It's so funny because when you say Chris, nobody know who you're talking about. Yeah, nah, that's cool.
Thanks, man.
Oh yeah, man. It's nothing. Anything that's got my name attached to it, I treat it as if it's my own, and I always go 100,000%. You feel me? So that goes with anything.
I've always had this idea, and I'm going to throw it out here. You actually brought up a good point. You can do a lot of things because I don't know what value I have to bring to this, but I have been thinking of something. I just want to throw it out there, and you guys tell me what you think. Okay, I've always wanted to create a website where you paid like a homeowner, DIY, do it yourself, basically for heating and air conditioning. So at any time, 24 hours a day, you could you could pay a fee to join this this group. It's $9.95 a month, right? You have a certain amount of questions that you can have a year, and we would teach you how to, even with video chat, we teach you how to put a thermostat on the wall if you paid for our services, or if you needed help changing a filter. We
Like a
also send
CAA,
say that again.
like a CAA kinda. You pay for the service, you get three goals out.
I like that. And that's kind of because I've been thinking about this for a long time because everybody wants to do it themselves, right? Because they're all home now, want to remodel their home. Yeah, I'm the go-to guy in my family. Okay, if anything goes wrong, whether it's plumbing, heating, air conditioning, cars, anything, they always call me like I have the fucking answer to everything. And I don't know if I could swear on this, but so they always call me.
Fuck
Okay,
it.
they always call me like I got the answer, like I'm the smartest fucking guy they know. So I'm like, well, you know what? Why don't I create a website where people can go there, they can get information from me, and everyday information, and they can pay me a monthly membership, or they can ask a certain question, and we can give them, like you were saying, videos and links on how to do it, and they can pay them. So where someone might just say, "Hey, listen, it's worth $5.99 to learn how to change the thermostat batteries," so he doesn't have to pay a technician to come out and do it for $150. So I don't know. That's honestly, as I was listening to this conversation tonight, I'm like, so this is just more than trading. This is this
Yeah,
is
it is. And for me to put my little 2 cents on that, because I don't want people to think that Jesse just ranting off on stuff, because I mean he talking real shit. And what I mean by that is he's speaking from experience. The reason why we offer all these extra little incentives is because we're trial and error type people. I have my bachelor's degree in audio production, music engineering. My wife has her associates in graphic design, bachelor's in photography. We build websites. That's what I do for a living. Like, we build websites and we take photos. Like literally, so all the little
that's
extra stuff is just stuff
so
we've learned and other extra stuff that we have.
there's great potential there. I'm telling you that in itself could. I want to be able to go to bed at night, not even thinking about it, and that thing just clicking off money, throwing it in my account. People going onto my website, searching this, looking that up, paying the administration fee or the one-time fee for a question. You go through the website and pull up an item. Oh, how do I change the filter on a Ream unit?
Hmm.
Whatever, and pay a one-time fee, $2.99 to watch the video.
Yeah, so
What do
I
just
think
click it?
overall what Jesse is trying to get to everybody is, just self-sustaining, being able to kind of stand on our own feet and not look for an outside source, as far as like an outside job, to make this our job and to be on it. Because I mean, myself as well as Jesse, we work for corporate America, and that didn't work out. We don't like their rules and the way that they try to do things, and how they try to dictate stuff. So what he's trying to create here is basically a platform where you can kind of learn how to control your own world. I mean, it sounds crazy, but you literally can do such, especially if you making plays like this with stocks. I mean, you seeing the stuff that he calls out ain't like it's like he pulling it from thin air. Like he literally showing y'all the screenshots.
I get, and that's why I know this is serious, and I'm glad I joined tonight because I, stocks are one thing, and I know that's so that's Jesse's thing, right? Jesse, that's your thing, the stocks.
Yeah, he might have walked off.
Okay. No. No, that's all good. I was just trying to put it out there, and like he clicks off on stocks. That's why I'm saying if I could get, I think you sent me your information, right, Jeff? T Biggie
Right.
still on there? Yeah, I'm jumping on board. So I'm gonna reach out to you, and I'm gonna maybe we can have a 10-minute chat of your time and see if this is something that we should venture down, and I should invest in this. I've been looking to do this for a couple years now. Problem is that and the other thing is every time I brought this idea up to someone that said they could do something, I didn't have the warm and fuzzies. You know what I'm saying? Dude, you sent that out. You sent that out at like 2:36, and I was yeah 2:36 this afternoon, I think. I told my buddy, I said, look up GameStop right now. He goes, it's at $51. What should I do? And I go, well, he's telling us to buy, but I'm like, I'm so freaking leveraged on AMC right now, and I'm like, I can't. So I didn't. And then I got home and it was up all what 150, 160. I'm like, that's insane. Freaking insane, man. I wish I had another. Yeah. Did you guys go over? Yes. So you're right. So you find their bottom, or you find out what the true value is.
For value investments. You're looking for people that really know what it's worth because you know it's going to go up from that point.
No, and it's yeah. What?
I got a question for this one. Did you invest in this company because you actually saw a lot of potential in it, or more so for the fact that like Naked's like a pretty decent sized Reddit stock, which is why I think it got that huge pump at the end of the day today. Like, did you kind of see potential in that, or was it the actual company itself? Okay, yeah, because that's definitely with all this movement right now, it's gonna move a lot. But like, I'm assuming you're definitely going like a short-term play, like quick flip. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So you took in. Wait, when did you sell? Okay. Yeah. So you took about 30% profits. Yeah, and then even if you do really like it too, seeing it drop, you almost get excited because that's you're buying at a cheaper price then. Yeah. That's I think what a lot of people don't see. Yeah. Yeah, and I think that's a big thing about what a lot of I find new investors and traders don't see. That's when you get a lot of FOMO and people losing lots of money. They try to jump on the bandwagons too late rather than seeing it go down and getting in while it's low, knowing it's going to come up. I find that's a big difference in experience. For GME or for what company? Yeah, I think so too. I think GME is going to have a really strong day tomorrow. Same. Oh, stock talk's happening. You can't stop it. Oh, 100%. Did he buy back in? I know he sold a lot of his shares. Yeah. And that's even the way like I see it too is like this company has already gone big and they made like history the other week. So it's happened once. We know we can do it. Now here we are a week later, everyone knows the story. Why not do it again? Yeah, and there's so many people that just they want this rebellion. They want to see those hedge fund managers get shut down. Everyone just wants to beat the market and make those money. Like June, I think last year, maybe even a little bit earlier, right at the start of COVID. Like I was yeah, I was a starting number. Oh yeah, 100%. Yeah, you're trying to find the stocks that are being manipulated by other people and getting quick.
Dad.
Or just find the good ones. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Continue it again because anything that they're spouting off on TV, whatever they say, do the exact opposite. Because
They're just doing it to recover their own loss.
they're doing it for all their
That's why they promote it because they want to fucking pump it while you're buying it, they're selling it.
exactly like Tilray. They did it last week. Oh, buy some marijuana stocks. Blah blah blah. Marijuana stocks
Yeah.
are going up through the
Dropped
roof.
so
So
fast.
everybody started freaking going in and buying this stuff, and then next thing you know, they all pulled out, and it's like, yep, yep.
Yeah.
And it's exactly what happened. And it's no. Yeah.
Yeah, and I think right now the huge thing is keeping an eye on Reddit.
Exactly. I was gonna say, yeah, we're waiting still.
Yeah,
No,
but Reddit, I find Reddit right now is way too big. Reddit's huge. That's like what's moving, and all the big movers in the market right now is Reddit. Like, I don't know about your stock. Yeah, it did. Too many
yeah,
people.
I heard that.
Yeah. Does your stock bot have like Reddit mentions, or what does your stock bot have?
Yep. Yeah, I'll get on that right in the morning. Yeah, we got a chart. We,
Yeah,
we
because I haven't actually seen it myself, but I have an app called Good Seed, and one of the features of it is you can see Reddit mentions, a list of it. So like I'm constantly watching this and seeing like the new things that are coming up. Because right now, and then I'm in like the Reddit groups and everything. Because right now, with amount of momentum that's happening in the stock market, just from Reddit groups and Reddit stocks, I think there's a lot of potential for big plays. But you gotta be really watching when you're doing that. Quick ins, quick outs. If you see a turnaround, like you see a peak, you get out. But there's a
yeah.
lot of potential to make money right now. Yeah, you gotta be getting early. That's why having these are. Yeah, yeah. Like for me today, when I found GMA, sort of levels. Oh yeah, yeah. Technical analysis. Yeah, yeah. It's literally a science. Yeah, yeah. And then even seeing the initial movement today, like look how fast it took off. At 3 o'clock, it's at $50. An hour later, it's sitting at $86, $90. Yeah, I think I initially got in at let's see, I think it was like 3:30. I want to say. Yeah, and then I think today with growing your business, a big thing that like which would help a lot is I saw your TikTok account today. I think there's huge potential there to gain a lot of new members. Like if you made like videos where it was like after you sell your profits and you just show your profits and you're like, yeah, in our stock group, we called this out, we called this out, we called this out. If you're one of our members, I can possibly do it and give it a shot. Like I've seen a lot of them. I think there's huge potential there because people see those gains. They hear you saying like, "We called this out. If you would have done this, you could have been up 600% on the week." People see that and they're like, "Wow."
Yeah, for sure. If you guys just want to send me a DM, I'll contact you in the morning and we can get everything set up. Or if you're working
for
in the
sure.
morning, we can do something in the afternoon or later on in the night, probably.
Yeah, of course. Yeah, we'll definitely try that out, see how it goes. Yeah, and I mean, like I think social media is the biggest way to grow right now, obviously. TikTok's blowing up super fast. Yeah. Yeah, I think a big thing for this group too, I find at least, like I've been back here since like right when it opened, is just seeing people that are consistent here and being consistent and talking to people. It really makes it a community rather than just some huge group where you don't know anyone. It's callouts. Yeah, you can talk to people in this group, I find.
I don't know if any of you guys grow cannabis, but I've specialized in growing cannabis for the last probably like 10 years now. And I know quite a bit. If anybody's ever running into any problems, just let me know.
Any problems? You got like got your like bong dirty?
I'm just
No, I
stepping
mean,
out real quick. I'll be right back.
to grow to grow, to grow the premium. Oh yeah.
I think if are you American? Whoever was calling out the cannabis?
No, I'm Canadian.
Okay, I think if you're Canadian, you should check out the stock Sugar,
I already
SUGR.
I already own like 30,000 shares of it.
No way.
Yeah, I
Holy.
bought it
Yeah,
at
I had 300,000
I
like
bought I
a
bought
couple weeks ago.
30,000 shares at 2.5 cents.
Oh,
Boom. I sold half already though, like an idiot.
wait, so you got in at the very bottom. Holy.
Yeah, if you guys buy Canadian penny stocks, I got a shit ton of them.
Yeah, I had all my sugar long-term holding till about 3 weeks ago where I
Yeah.
planned to sell it for like a week to
No,
try to
I
make a quick
wouldn't
flip.
sell, bro.
Oh, I've
Bro,
been
they
holding it
have
for
the
2 years. It
best
would just be a
product.
1 week quick flip. Because I
Yeah,
see the long-term potential in this company. Like
yeah,
they're like I've been following them for like 2 years now. They
yeah,
have
man.
such good news potential, fundamentals, everything's there. And then they went through COVID, no problems because they were such a new company before. They had no revenue. So like what else are they gonna lose during COVID? They didn't
Yeah,
have revenue in the
exactly.
first place. So they were easily gonna stick through that. So that was no worry. And now they're just getting going, everything's very good. Premium stuff. And then even last few months it went from like I think it was started selling to 3 different provinces, and then the last like 2 weeks it got the Yukon and another province, BC.
Yeah, I'm looking
It's
forward to seeing what
hugely
they do.
good. Yeah.
They'll be I personally think they're going to be bought up by a bigger company just because that's just how it goes. But it'll be interesting to see who buys them.
Yeah, for sure. It'll be good profits either way though.
Yeah, definitely.
It's definitely
As
good
long as
long-term
the
hold.
as long as the deal goes well for the shareholders,
Oh yeah, 100%.
it can always go south quickly.
Yeah, but I mean
Or
if they
north,
keep
I
following
guess, or
through with
whatever
what
the
they're doing
saying is.
right now, like their business plan, I think business or market value should definitely go up quite a bit with the way they're
Oh
executing.
yeah.
Like they're executing it like perfect business plan, straight on schedule. Everything's like the way it should be.
Yeah, I used to work for MPXI. I don't know if you've ever heard of them, but it's definitely interesting to see how the cannabis industry was brought in Canada because they pretty much like the government almost like fucked themselves over just the way they implemented it and how they regulated it and had all the like the laws and like just the little fines that they were giving the companies for like misprinting the tiniest little things like the labels and stuff. Like they're starting to lax it out now, but like if you like look at like the
Oh, like at the
American
very
stuff,
start.
like cookies, like think about like Burner's cookies, like that's how it should be. Like for Canada to have been like such have like a good impact in the weed game, and then
Yeah,
that
they were
happened.
so strict on it
Yeah,
at the start.
it
It was
was a
crazy.
pretty strange thing to see for sure. But
Yeah, I think we're finally starting to get a little bit more where they're kind of chill and things are like normal, whatever. But at the start, everyone was way too tense about it. It was too much.
yeah, that's just any new industry though too.
Yeah, no one's used to it. Is
Because
the thing. And the big thing is too, you got all these older people that see it as like some see it as good, but there's a lot of people that see it as bad and dislike it rather than just like not caring and being like nonchalant about it. There's way too many
yeah,
people that just dislike it for whatever reason.
yeah, some people are set in their ways for sure.
Yeah. But now that it's a thing and it's become normal and people like
But that
it. No, keep going. But if you do want go on this rant, you should share your screen with the Discord wherever you're looking. Because right now I'm trying to listen, but it's a lot of stuff happening quick, and I got this live screen of like the YouTube right now. And I think it'd be nice and easy if I could just see like the numbers or call ups or something. If you have it, I don't know if you have it. Not the tech guy. Hmm? Oh no, you're still coming in clear. No, if I just randomly said that, it'd be hilarious though. It looks like your screen might be lagging or the YouTube froze or something.